editing 3FS dragged me in. It's been a minute since I hit one of these. Fellas. Now let me set the stage for you guys real quick. A couple nights ago, I was chilling on a call with my buddies. Got Eddie, we got Jacob. And I asked them a question. Should I have some more balls on my channel? Now, not that kind. I mean more so like taking more risks, doing more videos that you guys maybe wouldn't expect me to do. Because it's not every day you want to sit down and watch a dude play scary games. Now, exactly 1 second after I said that question, Eddie went, "Yes, Max, I think you should." Let's see what the frick we're playing today. Calibration expired. What does that mean? Whoa, like made me do the setting as the video error. This is freaking dope. Mechanics. I got the magic key. Oh. I think I'm gonna do brutal. Yeah.
Calibration complete.
All systems operational. Machine ID V1. Location. Whoa. Approaching the Devil's Lair. Current objective. Find a weapon.
Mankind is dead. Blood is fuel. Devil's Lair is full.
Hello, buddy. My name is 3FS. Welcome to Ultra Kill. Now, if you haven't already seen, I put a community tab post out asking you guys what games I should play, and I specifically said any genre. I got everything from Doki Doki Literature Club to Ultra Kill to somebody's in the comments talking about some Max play some Apex Legends. Now, I figured as this channel goes on, one of my goals for this year was to get a little bit more diverse in the 3FS uploading category. I don't just want to be putting out horror games every single video. Some of you guys don't want to be scared every single day. But this is gonna be a two-way street. Here's how we're gonna do this. Now, I've heard that Ultra Kill is a little bit longer of a game, so here's what I ask of you guys. Whether it be comments, whether it be likes, whether you watch the entire video, I'm gonna need some support from you guys. If you guys want to see some more non-horror games, make sure to just let me know. But let me not waste any more time. Let's get this sucker started, bro. So it's like they chose me to be the hero to save the entire universe. Good stinking choice, bro. Press F to punch. Okay. Get out, bruv. Oh, for a second, left control to slide. Oh, this is already looking phenomenal, bro. Give me slide because it's like that one Maze Runner scene with Thomas like running fast and fart. Oh, I'm just going the wrong way. Left shift to dash through danger. Consume stamina can be formed in air. Bro, this is like Sigma Central, bro. Check this out, ready? Genius, bro. Yo! Do close range damage to douse yourself in fresh blood. This is the only way to regain health. What kind of freaking mechanic is that? Alright. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Guys, I might like blow a gasket in this whole playthrough. Who are these lads, bro? When your friends are thinking? Jump near wall to wall jump. Max 3 times? My name's Max, 3FS is my name. It's almost like this game was made to be for me. I'm already a stinking natural. Control and air to ground slam? Bro, they're giving me way too much freaking leeway, bro. Put a hashtag. Bro, this game is so loud, bro. Let's get real. Most levels have secret soul orbs. Touch them to get point bonus. Might as well, When do they give me a gun, bro? When do they give me a gun? Oh, shoot. Get out of my way. New Blood presents a game by Hakita Patala. Is this a gun? This is a gun? Oh my goodness. Whoa! I'm scared, bro. Hold on, you guys. My sensitivity is egregious, bro. I might need like a Val to Ultra Kill sense converter. Oh, this is more like it, bro. Okay, no, this might get dangerous today. Hold on. Down on him. Get the frick out of here, bro. Come on, bro. It's just like I can just do that to their whole team. Fart on him. Get out of my way one more time. Okay, one happened, one see. Young man thinks he's gonna survive in this lobby, bro. Into the fire. Checkpoint. This game is freaking sick. I'm a sucker for games with good pacing like this. Get out of my way. Oh, shoot. They predicted the dodge. Okay. No, let's do it. They think they're playing with a little baby. I'll float it up. Can I aim down sights? What the frick is that? I'm charging the sucker up. When your boy accidentally figures out a mechanic. Hold. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's what I was figuring out how to do. Let it rip, boys. No. Get turned into dust. Oh my gosh. It's actually like I might title this video, How to Get Turned Into a Memory Tutorial. Let's frickin' go. Check this out. Jump up. Crap on him. Jump up. Crap on him. Jump up. Crap on him specifically. He was angry I killed his brother. Check this out. Hold on, I'm gonna start doing trick shots and stuff. Forgot I got like wall jumps and stuff. The game's giving me all these mechanics. Doesn't give me time to like practice them. Alright, let's go. Big old gears right there. Don't jump off the map, Max. Don't jump off the map. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, who are these big boys? Big boys and they get killed with one bullet. Hold on, I'm like doing trick shots and stuff. Oh, don't even tempt me. I'll flick on you all day long. Get the frick out! Let's frickin' go. What? I got my like water right next to my mouse, bro. I'm actually about to turn my water bottle into a memory. I can't do that. I can't. Yo! Throwing like Sigma bullets at me. Alright. Dude, that's like I blink and the whole lobby's gone. That's crazy. Taking damage temporarily reduces your maximum HP. Hard damage recovers faster when playing stylishly. The game rewards you for hitting like trick shots and stuff? Oh, shoot, bro. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Blast through here. Welcome to my world. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Come down here, come down here. Come. Oh, they're stupid, I see. What are these like, can the young men even move? Sorry. Okay, yeah, that's cool. I'll take that, I'll take that. Let's keep it running, bro. Ground slam control deals damage on direct hit. It's okay, I feel like that like doesn't take that much skill though, so let's get serious. Okay, so that's weird. I hit every single bullet first try right there. Okay, I gotta like take advantage of this multiplier they're giving me. What is this? Yo, who is that, bro? All right. I'm gonna do wall jumps on your boys. He's like never seen a player do this ever. He's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. How you like jumping off the walls, bro? Hold on, charge up. Big blast. 3F blast. I'm like taking his health off. He doesn't even know what to do.
Oh, stop! Oh, stop it! Stop it!
What's up, bro? Oh, they slowed down the final bullet for hashtag style points. Get with it, man. Get in or get out. Ground slam. Let's go. I'll take that. I beat it in 19 seconds. Wow, that's quick, man. Kills, 1 million. Style, infinite. Wow. I'll freaking take it, bro! Get 5 kills with a single glass panel. Challenge? Like, I thought I did that already. Did I not? Put me in the next level. Let's get real. Now, the real... Oh my gosh. It's like the game's like watching me play. Live. Store. What's in there? Let's go ahead and see. User points at the shop at the start of each level for new equipment. Like new guns and stuff. When do I get like the X? See, I got 16 million points. When can I buy some like cool freaking weapons? Give me like a shotgun. Give me like a shotgun. Or it'd be like Widowmaker. He'll like long range snipe on him. Ooh, bro. Let's keep going. And this right back in it. The meat grinder. That's what's gonna happen to these young men. Oh, they like want me to traverse? Okay, I thought they were gonna like spawn some enemies on me.
They're not.
Bro, and they got this like breakcore playing, bro. This is freaking sick. What just, okay. Come on, boys. Come on. Oh, farted on. Yo! Sorry. Yup. Ground slam. It's like I blink and they gone. It's like I don't even know what's happening. Chaotic. I see. I gotta keep the streak going. Where's that over there? I saw a guy over here. Uh-oh. Hold on. Lots of young men. Hold on. I gotta take out the perimeter. Take out the perimeter and go for the interior. They're like running around aimlessly. Stupid Mandem. Alright, ready for this? Memory special. That only got one guy? Check this out. Oh, wait a minute. Don't even tempt me with a trick shot, bro. Because you'll get turned into... Let's continue. See, the thing goes down so fast, I gotta get, like, the enemies gotta start flowing. Keep... Sorry, I telepath. Do it again. Thanks. Let's go. Just gotta bring him to the middle. I'm actually, like, locked in. You guys have never seen me play like this before. Oh my gosh. on, boy! Let's go! Oh, this is actually a meat grinder. Sorry, guys. Teleport. Teleport. Yo, who was that? Who was that? If y'all ever watch Spy Kids, he's the guy. He's the guy. Wait, where can I go? There's like 2 ways I can go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Wait, I just came from there. Wait, did I? What is this? What is that? I can't like, can I like power shoot it and it does something? Nope, okay. Oh, I guess that was just an alternate path, okay. All right, let's keep going. My goal is the multiplier has to reach like 1 million. Yeah, there's a crazy guy over there helping me. Dude, thank you, bro. You will get lunch after? So I'm like trying to flick on him, bro. It's like it's just built into me, you guys. I used to be like an FPS demon back in the day. My sense is a little bit wonky. I'm getting like my gears grinded out, I'm oiling up the engine, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Getting back in the mode. There's all the guys in it there yet. Holy crap! I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but stuff is going down. Stuff is happening. It's getting crazy. Let's go. Gosh, the soundtrack too. I'm feeling my blood's pumping. My blood's plumping. I'm plumping. You guys like plums? Time. 4 seconds. Kills. 1,000. Okay, a little bit less. A little bit less. Score. Still infinity. S rank. Come on, bro. Okay, challenge. Beat the secret encounter. Okay. All right. When the secret guy comes up, you gotta fight him. Let's keep it going, bro. Okay, okay. When can I get a new gun? When can I get a new gun? Wait a minute. Ah, I see. So what is this? Press Alt to throw a coin. Hit an airborne coin. Hit an airborne coin to deflect your shot into the nearest enemy's weak point. Coins can be chained. Bro. Oh, come on. 30k points? What is this 25k one? Hold Alt fire to charge a piercing beam that ricochets. I'm not gonna lie, that's some butt cheeks, bro. Give me this one, bro. How do I throw the coin? Wait, wait, wait. Okay, wait. Y'all ready for a little test run? Bro, this is crazy! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's crazy, because I can do that IRL too, you guys. I was practicing that a minute ago. Alright, let's keep it going, let's keep it going. Let's test out this little coin mechanic, see how they like it. Check this out. Preload, double down. Double down, can't frown, let's get up. Money, money, money. Let's go. Head up. I'm just having the day. Oh shoot, I gotta like hit the coin. Hold on, sorry you guys. No, so, oh my gosh, my butt cheeks in his face, he just died. Yo, this coin. So, what am I doing, bro? Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm like hitting little apologies because I feel bad for him. Hold on, you know what I don't feel bad for? Check this out. He's still shooting! How, bro? I nailed him in his freaking kisser. Double bullets! Oh, this is unbelievable, bro. When have you guys ever seen this before? I know you watched the gameplay before, but like, come on. Alright, bro room. Let's go. Oh my gosh, they like know I'm the warrior. Hold on. They blocked me off. Little stinker. Wait a stinking minute, buddy. I'm hitting 180 trick shots on you, little boy. Welcome to my world. He's got that sword. Why are we fighting? He was just helping me out. Swords machine. Hold on, check this out. Coins can be chained. Oh, wait a minute. You didn't know I had it in me. What's up, little bro? What's up, little bro? What's up, little bro? What's up? Nah, this is crazy. He disappeared, bro. He couldn't handle the heat. Press right mouse button to fire an explosive, hold charge at a distance. What the frick did I just get? Say no more. Say no more. Open that sucker up. Let's continue our amazing gameplay. Brutal. Chaotic. Excuse me. Ah, now we go back up here. Okay.
Buzz it open. Let's continue our journey.
Primary fire pierces weaker enemies. Okay, let me be the judge of that. Oh, this is a shotgun. Sorry, I just had to try it out. There's like no need for that, but I just like, well, I'd try, you know what I mean?
Bro, let me do the coin, bro. The coin, there's just nothing like this coin, bro. Like, that is crazy. That is crazy. All right, give me back this one. All right, check this out, check this out. I'm gonna do something you guys have never seen before. 1, 2. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Hold on, I gotta calculate the arc of the coin toss. Hold on, I think it's my lucky day. Oh! I knew, oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna try? Check this out. I'm gonna go in the room and hit like a boom, boom coin. Oh. Let's go, let's try it. Sorry, guys. Sorry, little boy. I'm like blinking and they're like getting destroyed. It's like Resident Evil when I was just like blinking, everybody's dying and stuff.
Okay, yeah, this dude's kinda going crazy.
Oh! Yeah, that's what y'all get. That's what y'all get, bro. Oh! Oh! Goodness gracious, what is that? Get turned into a memory simulator. Alright. Bro, these like little light beams are crazy. Hold on. Is it time we try it? Oh my gosh, wait, that was like almost it. Hold on. Oh! No, I'm ridiculous, bro. I'm ridiculous, bro. That killed everybody in this stinking lobby. I totally forgot I can like crouch and stuff. Why am I not crouching? That builds up the style points. I see, I see. Okay, I need to stop like chaining them together. It just doesn't work. Gosh, the 180 trick shot is absolute bro, it's ridiculous. You guys would never believe this. Okay, the nuke corner. The nuke corner. Oh, his shot like ricochets. Oh, I see. I didn't even notice it. That was so lame. I didn't know I was getting farted on. Oh, it's almost like it didn't even happen. Let's go. Let's start it off by getting it in the right. Let's get in the right headspace. Let's go.
No, just don't throw the coin where I want it.
That's fine, because I'll do that right after that. Headshots all frickin' night long. All frickin' night long. Charge it up, charge it up. Bye-bye. Dodge out. Dodge out. Slam on you. Oh my gosh. In your face. Wait, hold on. In your face. Okay. In your face. Oh my gosh, he's ridiculous. Okay, wait, he's like low-key beating the crap out of me. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that was almost frickin' it. Come on, man, come on. Let's frickin' go, bro. Come on. Hasn't even done a single lick of damage. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Hold on, hold on. In your face. Goodbye. Say good morning to your mother. Let's frickin' go. Let's keep it going, bro. Did I say good morning to your mother? Looks like I'll be saying good morning to your mother. 4 seconds, wicked fast. Okay. Gosh, man. I see why y'all wanted me to play this game. This game is crazy, bro. Challenge kill only one enemy? Was? No. I just declined the challenge. Okay, what other stuff do they have provide for me at the shop? What other stuff y'all got for me? Ooh, hold on. For the shotgun. A saw with off-bar to rev a chainsaw. Release to launch. Pierce. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to do that. My mouse took over. I need to try out this chainsaw. Hold on, bro. Let me try out this stinking chainsaw. Let's go, bro. Come on, get it, boys. Come on, get it, boys. I'm here all day. I'm here all day till the sun goes down. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I can see the cheating accusations already, you guys. Oh my gosh, just like miss all my shots right there. Oh, say goodbye. What is he doing here, bro? Get out, bro. Hold on, let me use the special enhancement. Oh, it doesn't have that much range on it. I see. Goodbye. I'll take it, bro. Nice. Gosh, that was crazy. Oh. Thank you. Ooh. I'm going into the butthole the whole thing. What am I doing, bro? Here, take a lucky coin type toss, bro. Nice. Cooling chamber. Yeah, you better cool me off. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot. I feel like a sweat bead dripping down my chest right now. Oh, shoot! Oh, it's like I'm on a roller coaster. What the frick was that? How did I, like, launch like that? That was crazy. Bro, I can't get enough of that, bro. You just like sit on him and you just crush him into nothing. 1,000 pieces. You can make a puzzle out of him, bro. Oh my gosh, triple S. No, let's keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Drop. Oh, that was it. One machine army. Wow. Gosh, I'm blowing through this like a whistle. Dude, I'm hashtag wicked, bro. Slide uninterrupted for 17 seconds. How do you do that? Do you like B-hop slide? What the frick? Okay. What else can we get? I never even looked at what the pump charge was. Press Alt fire to pump your shotgun, increasing the power, decreasing the accuracy. Nah. Is there like, can I like level it up? Like imagine if it was like a, I just throw a fatter coin that makes more power, bro. Oh yeah, give me a little level up, bro. Please. That is so freaking crazy. I don't even need an upgrade. Let's keep it going, bro. What's going on in here, bro? Oh my gosh, I almost died. Almost took a bath down there, bro. Where am I supposed to be going? Over here? Like the door and everything. Oh wait, I gotta get. Oh, I had to get a little jumpy. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they wanted me to like wall slide through that whole thing. Okay. Here we go. Here's what I'm looking for. Little store right there. Why is that? They think I'm gonna die. Abandon hope to ye all who enter. What the frick, bro? One shot? He actually just gave me a run for my money. No. Put me back in. Abandon hope to all who enter. I just gotta stay away from him, bro, because he has the little dashes, bro. Hold on, I'm feeling lucky. Hold on. Yeah, I just gotta time the dashes. Why is he, when you bring your friend in to have fun with you? What is that, man? Hold on. Stop it! You stop it now! That's how I got. Okay, I was doing damage to him though. Look at that. Come on. Let's go. There we go. I just need to stomp on his head every now and then to get some health. I think I'm gonna go for this first guy still, because I need to get him weak. I'll just slam on you for the fun of it though. Oh my gosh, my lucky day. I'm gonna kill your brother. You're gonna be so ticked. Come on, bro, come on! What do you activate crazy mode? Let's frickin' go, bro! Y'all didn't know this, but I actually activated crazy mode when he did it. Come on, bro. Slide down the steps. Slide down the steps. Get me in, man. Wow. Holy crap. The animation, he was like, when he like threw that little ball, that was crazy. Don't inflict fatal damage to any enemy? What kind of challenge is that? Don't have fun at all type challenge, bro. No. I'm going beast mode. I activated it before I even pressed record on the video, bro. The cyber grind. Endless survival mode. Okay, no, yeah, okay, I read about all this. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty alright. Oh my. What is this? Ultra kill, but it's ultra beautiful. Ultra kill, but it's ultra peaceful. 3 fish said ultra trick shot. 2 for the Mandem. 2-4 for the Mandes. I don't know what the girl version is. 3 for the grandparents. And 4 for the newborn babies. Welcome to the world, everybody. What possible enemies would they bring in this place? You guys better not start stinking moving, bro. I'll take both your heads off. Just like that, man. Don't even test it, bro. When your boy has a triangle in the middle of his room. It's like a simulation. It's not even real. It's like Bone Lab. What the frick do we have going on? Oh! Ah, guy activated secret. Done it big time. Ah, I see, I see. So that's like the guiding thing. I see, because... What does it want me to do? Stand on it? Am I doing the right thing? Am I supposed to be just like pounding it into the ground like that? I don't think that's it. Wait a minute, there's broken script up here. Oh. Broken secret for the broken guy. Oh, maybe I gotta go through this door. Okay, okay. Ah, I see. Then I bring... Pick up items with F. Ah, and then I bring little guy up to the little observation tower.
Follow me, young sir.
Now, can I have this dude as like spectator? And he like calms, like how Jacob talks, and he's like, oh my gosh, he done it again. No, probably not. Okay. Dude, I just know like if he saw my gameplay, he'd actually jaw on perma drop, bro. Perma drop. What the frick is that, bro? Little purple guy floating, little purple man. You get your head frickin' taken off sub-0 seconds. Oh, there's like more of them. Hold on, it's like my lucky day. Whoa, what's all this hitting, bro? I'm getting flicky like a Ricky. I'm getting flicky like Ricky. I'm feeling super Ricky. Bam. Bam. Don't get close, little fella. You're gonna regret it. Well, that's a good way to get health if I just go up and start beating the crap out of them. These guys have crazy health. Sorry, sorry. These guys actually have some wicked health to them. What the heck is this? I like it. Oh my gosh, are those like what it's a nail gun? I was throwing it with nails! No, let's keep using it, man. I got all these stinking weapons. Nail gun, use I always do that, bro. Right mouse button to fire nail magnet. Could be attached to create traps. What the frick? What kind of mechanic is that? I'm massacring these guys, bro. Oh, sorry. Everybody just stand back for a second. 1 second. This thing isn't mowing down as much as I thought it was. But that's fine, that's fine. I mean, I'll take this over much else. Oh, shoot! Oh, bombs are launching! Forgot I could do it to him!
Little man down here. How'd you like tasting my butthole, bro?
Bro, I can't, bro. The bomb is too funny, bro. It's like this big old explosion. And then, can I get my nails back? That would be sick if I could get my nails back. I can. This thing, it explodes too. Wicked, bruv. Okay, here we go. Ah, okay, now I got a spectator. Watch this, little boy. Watch this, little guy. Oh. Wait, where do I take this? Is back that one area. Went it this way? It was this way. It was this way. Nope.
I've never seen anything like that in my life. How amazing.
I'm still surprising myself with these plays. Oh, wait, I was gonna take him back here. I see. This is crazy, bro. You guys are never gonna see gameplay like this ever. And here we go. Here's what I was looking for. Bang. Boss, I could already detect it. Why'd I shoot that there? There we go. That's better. Shoot, they're like it bounces out equilibrium, bro. Dang it. I forgot it explodes. I can just like straight up shoot it into one of the guys. That's crazy. Supreme. All I've seen up there is S's. I don't know about you guys. What I like about this game is there's a lot going on, but you can also like see stuff too. In most games, you just like can't see anything. Well, it's not the easiest to see, but you guys get my point. I'm like surprising myself with the amount of damage I'm doing to these little guys. Sap, bruv. Wait a minute. Did I reach like level 2? What else can I get? Nail gun. I got 56 trillion points. Attach a cable that slowly charges a powerful electric shock. No thanks. Alt fire with shooting overheat for a quick burst of damage at the cost of heatsink. I don't know. I don't know. Might as well. Okay, wait. Let's see what this little guy does. No target. Ah. So it's like I gotta spot an outlet in a wall and plug it in? It turned into a power tool. Very interesting. Wait, can I try it? Let me try it. Where's all my friends? Oh, here's some friends. Ew! Oh my... Rest in peace, guy. Wait, what does that do? I'm like putting all of them airborne. I mean, that's kind of cool. I'll take it. I'm sorry. I'm in the trick shot mood today. So it kind of just electrocutes a guy. I don't know if I like that much. Like, I would like if it was like blow the whole world up in one shot. Like, that's what I'm looking for personally. Oh, I gotta get up there. Hold on, man. That has to do like jumps and crap. You can't dash up, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm playing bingo. These guys are playing. Oh, there's like a guy over here. Hold on. I'm playing bingo. These guys are playing Go Fish. No hate on Go Fish. That's just what they're playing. Bro, I just don't know how to move in the game. Stop dashing around! Thinks I'm dashy. What up? Yes, I'm trying to get up here so I can zoom. That's what I'm looking for. All right, I need some fresh blood. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna squat on this guy. That is, oh my gosh, that's method. If I just insta-shoot the coin as soon as I get it out of my inventory, that's like a crazy shot. But welcome to the game. Hold on, I don't think they've ever seen this before. Oh! Am I supposed to find something back here? What's this like calm music? No, bring back the hype stuff, bro. Oh. When your boy got floating nails. Oh, wait. Ah, big guy up here. Oh, that's just not what I was supposed to find? Alright. Oh! I'll take it. What the? I thought I couldn't go through this door. All right. Wow. I was just looking around for 10 minutes trying to figure out how do I get through this door. I mean, when I gotta walk up to the door to open it. Here's what I'm looking for. Thank you. I gotta fight the guys. What's like on fire? I'm hearing like something cooking. Making me hungry a little bit. Gotta go through here. Oh! Sorry guys, just gotta... There you go. Oh, okay, yeah, now I got this blue guy. The burning world. Who set my nice place on fire? Oh, I'm gonna freaking rip their head off. Let's rip the heads off. Let's rip the heads off. Let's go. A blue flash means an attack is unparryable. Whoa, 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 whoa. Unparryable? Oh, sorry. Oh! Unparryable? What kind of bull crap is that? They're behind there trying to sabotage me. Foolish little man. Doesn't know what I can do with this little weapon of mine. This little weapon of mine. Gosh, bro. Set the nice place ablaze for what? Let's find out. Keep it going, bro. Back in the mode, baby. Back in the mode. Let's show them what we're about in it. Let's go in it. Double trick shot just to start. 2 coins just for the second finisher. And here's what we're gonna do. Give him a taste of the glory. Oh my gosh, I just blew out the half side of my face. Little guy down there doesn't know what's gonna happen. 1, 2. That one's for you. Let's go. Whoa! Punch it for the finisher, man! Come on! It's gotta hurt with everything until it explodes. Down I go. A crazy performance that was. I know it's a C. Gosh, man. I might be the best to ever play. I must be the best to ever do it, bro. Do not pick up any skulls. Not gonna happen. Why would they say that? Level 3. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'm having a great time, but I think that's where I'm gonna stop it for today. Now, like I said, you guys, show some support if you want to see me do more games that are just not the normal stuff you'd see on the channel, you guys. Let me know in the comments. Let me know by the like button. Let me know by watching the whole video. Just let me know somehow. Make sure to let me know y'all's favorite time step. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Frick out, bro. I'm scared him, bro. Real man's in the building.
Can I please live? Can I please live?
Alrighty, y'all. Now, if I told y'all I tried to record 2 videos in like the past 48 hours and they were both like fart bags, would y'all believe me? Probably. This game's called FNAFbag.exe. When your boy getting his FNAF bag. FNAF, but it's got clean UI, bro.
Welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's Blood and Gears.
It's like a jazz opening. It's like a 1990s infomercial.
Before you clock in, here's some things you may want to configure.
Okay.
First, are you planning on streaming or recording the game?
Uh-huh.
Second, are you prone to motion sickness?
No.
Next, do you want subtitles?
Uh-huh.
Finally, would you prefer cameras in black and white?
Frick no, bro. Give me color. 3FS, you are the GOAT? Yes. Ah. Hello everybody, my name is 3FS. Welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's Blood and Gears Night Shift demo. It's been a hot little second since I
wait, actually, I don't think it has, actually. Gosh darn it, FNAF counter's only at 2 weeks. Okay, that's fine. Now, this is a game I've been seeing around. My buddy Vonnie also recommended it to me, and let's waste no time, press that new game button.
Freddy Place, will you come stay with us for one night and have a good time? We like you. 1-800-400. Sweet? What the frick is Dawkins Ghost Tours? Tours so spooky even you want to subscribe.
What the frick is he talking about? You know what? Respect, bro. They don't like see, like in most games, this would stand for like 30 seconds. Then it's gone. Yup, night started. Look at that in the bottom right. Continue. Enter. Oh. Game developer knows what they're doing. Let's press that button.
Fun day.
Monday?
Payday.
What?
Let's get this sucker on the road.
Okay, start the car.
FNAF, but it's IRL? Bro, what is these high quality graphics, bro? FNAF if it was released in 2026. Oh, wait. I'm even opening up the laptop. Look at this top lab, bro. Yes, 3FS on the line. 3FS on the line now. Yes. Yes, yes.
Hello?
Hey, kid, it's Jeremy. Just giving you a call to help you get settled in. You know, seeing it's your first night
It's
and all.
Jeremy.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, bro.
I don't know. Fine, I guess.
No, we're happier than that,
Tired.
bro. Be honest. Yeah, that's true. I am pretty tired.
I know the feeling. You'll get used to the night shift before long.
I'm already
Just
used to it, bro. I'm
try
sitting
not to fall
down,
asleep
chilling.
on the job.
I'm chilling, bro.
Anyway, enough chit chat. I don't want to take up too much of your time.
Oh, shoot.
Let's get this show on the road. Let's
Sorry.
see. Okay, so it says here you've worked security before. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah,
oh,
back
so many
at
times.
the steel
I'm made
mill.
for this, bro.
Oh, good. So you know the drill.
Does he know?
Building, monitor cameras, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, that being said, there are some quirks with this job you'll have to get used to.
Let me guess, though, they move. Yeah.
Main thing being,
Let me guess.
well, the animatronics. You see,
And that's a skip call. That's a skip call. Okay. Bro, every single fan game, bro. Dude on the phone, they probably give a name like Mikey or something, bro. And it'd be like,
Oh, you know, the normal, the usual. But there's one thing about this job nobody expects.
like FNAF was released in 2014. He's like, those robots at night. May want to look at them. Hey, I know. Hey. Frickin' B, bro. It's always B, bro. What's he frickin' looking for? Trash all the tables? Yeah, go ahead. Take a gander, bro. Nothing there. Okay, let me get myself familiar with the mechanics. Okay, flashlight the door. When your boy's stuck in the room with the... What even the frick is that? Is that a rock with arms?
What's up, man?
It's like a little hug, little play thingy. Alright, now, it probably wasn't a good idea to skip the phone call. I've been notorious of, like, skipping the phone call and then, like, getting mad because I don't understand a mechanic. That's alright. I'm a gamer, but oh, shoot, he's already on a stinking move. When your boy moving? Yo, wait. Okay. He's looking at the camera! Alright, bro, you chill out, bro. Oh, he's far as a fart! He's looking at all the items he wants to win at the prize counter. Bonnie get tickets. What if Bonnie went in the bathroom and had to take a little whizzy? The lizard's calling. Answer it, bro. I'm assuming none of the other buddies. Alright, this is classic. Hashtag classic. Hashtag classic. The fat Freddy on the floor. Freddy, but it's a chair? Interesting, bro. He's getting movie like a movie. Oh! What's wrong with his eyes?
He's just looking at a wall, bro. Calm down.
Dudes be making animatronics look like this, like the kids are gonna love this one. Frick off, bruv. Bro, he definitely in that phone call was like, we have a special animatronic in the back named, like, Buddy. Dude, it kills me. FNAF games in 2026 just start, like, doing stuff, bro. They'll be like, yeah, we have an animatronic named Buddy, and he likes to move around between the hours of 4:30 and 5:20. Make sure don't let him eat the cookie or something, bro. Like, it's freaking ridiculous, bro. Don't let him grab the pizza. Straight bullcrap fan game. Alright, no. We calm down right now. You stop this energy right now. We calm down now. I was gonna bust into a rhyme. Calm down now. What Chica looking at, man?
What?
Looking at the arcade games? Go ahead and play. Shoot, bro. Where's Bonnie? Is Brennis getting close? Oh my gosh. Brennis is the, Didn't Bonnie do this pose in the first game? People born after 2014 right now? What? Ooh. Okay, hold on. I just got techie. It actually just activated. Dangerous mode. Eat the floor. Yo! He's definitely looking through that camera. He sees me. Wait a minute. I'm not even looking at the camera. He's got wall hacks on. Bonnie, why don't you go stock up this vending machine? Put some snacks in there for me for when I finish this shift. Cold, bro. Somebody wipe me off.
Yo. All right, I think he was gonna be quick, bro. You chill out now. Is he gonna give a little when he's gone? Oh! All right. I like that metal door. That thing has some weight to it, bro. Some of these other FNAF games, the door closes out, I'll be like, give me some weight. Give me some class, bro. What's up, Rocky?
Hey, bro, what's going on, man?
All right. When does Bonnie hashtag frick off? Is it the classic like reset to the stage? Like does Bonnie do like a D1 sprint all the way to E3? Because that's what I'm gonna need right now. Yo! No! What is wrong with this guy? Leave! I think that's what I need to do. That's footsteps, right? Stinky. How do I know if Bonnie's gone? Bro, that's crazy. I like barely heard that, bro. I was 100% dead if I wasn't on. If I wasn't in that mode. Release the door. Back in business. Power status 19%. It's better than 18%. Ah, shoot. 523. Okay, it's easy. Yeah. I just kicked back for the rest of the stinking night. I'll tell you that right now. Wow! Wow! That's not Helpy, that's Belpy. That's Dancy. Post-shift phone call. You'd be like, head down to the basement and get funny.
Jeremy?
It's funny, Jeremy.
Yeah, it's me again.
Yeah.
Sorry for calling so late.
It's the end of my shift.
How was your night?
Stinking easy.
It was interesting.
Excuse you.
Those things give me the creeps.
Yeah, they're good at that. I hope they didn't give you too much trouble, though. Listen, I have a quick favor I need to ask of you.
What?
What's up?
Freddy's is pretty short-staffed at the moment, and I could really use an extra hand around the pizzeria this week.
Extra 50 bucks, I'll
Nothing
do it, bro.
crazy, just some
Extra 100, I'll do it, bro.
maintenance, cleaning, stuff like that, you know?
Yeah, he's gonna like go
You don't have
stick
to,
your head in the
but
toilets.
I'd appreciate the help. What do you say?
No.
Sure. Why not?
Oh, perfect. I really appreciate it, kid. Thank you.
Kid?
Got one thing for you tonight, I think.
You talk
Let's
to me
see.
like that again, let's see what happens.
Right. A couple customers have reported a malfunctioning arcade. Fazbear on the run.
I'm for play another
Apparently the game
machine.
bugs out at a certain score. Maybe you could test it for yourself.
Sounds easy enough.
Like I start playing Bonnie's
What's
next to
the
me like,
catch?
that's a good score, bro.
Well, the bots should be winding down by now, but some of them may still be active in the main room.
They're still hungry.
Bonnie and Chica in particular like to visit the arcade, so just be aware of your surroundings. I'll leave it to you then. Just be careful, alright?
What?
And once you're done, you can head home and
Hold
hit
on.
the hay. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, kid. Have a
No,
good
no,
one.
he actually tried it for 2 times,
Good
bro.
night, Jeremy.
I'm gonna beat the crap out of this young man. Alright, you chill out. I was gonna say, he sounds like he's from Resident Evil 7 for those of you that watch that series. Alright, Helpy's hints. You are amazing. I'm calling his little butt Harvey. Harvey.
What's up, man?
Here's his voice I'm gonna do from.
Reach a high score of 2,000 at Freddy Fazbear on the run. Use W to jump over obstacles, S to duck under flying chicas, and space to escape.
Thanks, Helpy. Harvey. Do you wanna go get a soda later?
No!
Alright, let's get this thing. Wait, let me read it again because I just like forgot everything I just said. Bro, don't ask me to read a book ever, bro. Like, I'm like for real stupid, you guys. Like, bro, in school we had to do like book reports. I'll be talking about some stuff that like didn't even happen in the book, bro. Alright, I got it. WNS. Oh, sharp.
Be aware of your surroundings. Though Bonnie and Chica are active tonight, listen for their footsteps and use left mouse click to repeatedly flash them with your flashlight as soon as they get close.
Okay, Harvey. Young man has his. Okay. Oh, shoot, in it already? Here goes. Mans is definitely from Minnesota. All right, let's go. Space. Oh, I'm Bring it on. Frickin' easy, bro. Jump over that kid. Jump over that present. Resume. Jump over that wet floor sign. Let's resume. I'm in that FNAF mode. How could Chica have oh, Chica's a chick and she has wings. I hear him walking around. Little man's feet is moving. Chica's getting tweaky. Do I just gotta hold it? He said flash repeatedly. Wait a minute. Chunker might have to get close. I see. Chunker might have to be in eating distance. Okay. Okay, understood. Focus. Chica, this cupcake, you want it? Genius. Let's go. What was the score he said it glitched out at? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Chunker. 2 rounds in under 40 seconds? Hungry young woman. Oh my gosh, I'm playing with Chunker. Yo! Oh my gosh, bro, let's land on the cupcake. Game lost. Fart, bro. What score did I have to get to? My gosh, and I have Buns straight to my right. Chunker and Buns. New names, everybody, new names. New mandem on the block. Let's go. Oh, I thought he was gonna say a cuss word. Listen. 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 Chica. Freck out. Buns still available. Ew. Retract that sentence. Duck. Jump. Jump. Top lad, bro. Big patience up on that Buns. Big patience up on Buns. Chunker coming back on the left. My comms are elite. I'm gonna get that Thowie. Chica, watch this. Imagine Chico's watching over my shoulder. Like, he's doing pretty good. Butthole. Top lad, bro. Big comp. 3FSO comp. Try again, little wiener. Oh, what's up, Buns? Wait, did Buns move? No, Buns just arrived. Ooh. Do I got to get to 2K? That's a lot of score, bro. A lot of score for a little big man. Freudian slip. Frick out, bruv. I think I'm a baby. I could pay a 4-year-old $2 and he'd do this. Gosh, bro, I'm selling them like Costco, bro. Oh my gosh. Hey! Oh! Is this how it ends?
Can I please live? Can I please live?
First man to blink loses. I really don't know what to do, everybody. I think, like, now to be honest, the positioning on the hands, they're interested in me, but what if they do want to watch the game? Let's continue.
What's that?
Mingle? What is Mingle doing? Mingle Ret. Freddy's Arcade loves you. Fatal Error. Okay. Who the frick did this OST, bro? You got my approval, man. That's a sick little... Okay. Oh my gosh, and Harvey's just letting it go. Just letting it go everywhere. Okay, man, let's get it going. Night 2. Watch, he's gonna be like, and Foxy likes to do play chess in the hallway, make sure to beat him knight to G6 or something, bro. It's always just a bullcrap, bro. Bro, pick up the phone.
Hey, buddy, you ready for your second night?
You cannot call me buddy, bro.
Now that's the spirit. Listen, I'll try not to keep you as long tonight, but there are a couple things I forgot to go over with you yesterday.
I didn't even give you the chance, bro.
Main thing being Foxy.
Watch, bro. He's gonna say some bullcrap. He's gonna say some bullcrap, bro.
8-2?
Correct.
He was always my favorite. I don't think you were around for him, but you would have loved him.
What is
was
he
mainly made
talking
for the older
about?
kids, but we did have a little crawl maze under the stage for the little ones.
What is that?
It didn't last very long.
Crawl maze?
Had to shut it down after.
Like Foxy's in there like eating them, bro.
Yeah.
Frick no,
Probably for the
claustrophobia
best.
Foxy.
Anyway, Foxy, yeah. I forgot to mention him yesterday, but he's
Top
a bit of a
lad,
special
bro.
case. See, about a year ago, some kids broke in and really messed up the place.
Uh-huh.
Poor old Foxy's been out of order ever since.
Uh-huh.
Freddy and the gang were roughed up too, but Foxy got the worst of it.
Uh-huh.
Sadly, we only had the resources to fix the others. So we decided to just shut down Pirates Cove as a whole.
Oh.
Due to his condition, though, he's a bit more
Wait for it.
erratic than the others. So just make sure to keep a real close eye on him.
Oh.
Great.
I thought he was
Hey,
gonna say some
I know
BS,
it
bro.
sounds scary, but trust me, you've got this.
Dude did all that build
You
up
have
to
any
say
questions
just
before I let
watch
you
him?
go?
Actually,
What?
never mind.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Frick out, bro. Come on, man. Frick up, bro. Keep an eye on him. I thought he was gonna be like, bro, like Foxy likes to play cards. Make sure you don't pick an ace or something, bro. I don't know. If I made a game, bro, I'll start throwing in bullcrap elements just for the fun of it, bro. Oh, what's that? You want me to make the game super tiny? Okay. Wish granted, little bro. The forbidden edit, bro. Only real ones know. The forbidden edit. What now? Now what gets me, what I actually kind of like, what makes a lot of sense, is that Bonnie's at this door for like probably like 40 minutes IRL time if it was being translated accurately. Man's gotta go, bro. Can't even hate on him. Top lad, bro. Y'all been noticing? In a minute. Y'all noticed that I adopt British lingo as of recent? I think it's funny.
Oh, okay. Well, me too, I guess.
Yeah, why don't you go on, little boy? Why don't you go on to your little place? Oh, now you wanna move. Raise that door up. Little buddy's gone. $100 says Foxy's got little butt cheeks.
Alright, nah, bro, this dude's getting weird, bro.
You wanna go? Let's go. Back to the arcades. See, Bonnie saw my score and was like, nah, I can do better than that. The frick is this guy? Out of order, my freaking butthole. Bro, what is this game on, bro? Hold on. Chica's having like a fun day. Yeah, back off. Back off, Chunker. Go eat some freaking wings. Dude, that just made me hungry, bro. I can't start talking about food. Comment food if y'all are eating something right now. Are you kidding? Alright, I'm just gonna close the door. I didn't know somebody's been on some bull crap, bro. Just run down the hallway, bro. Chica has no idea where she's at. The hook, bro? That's a sick detail. I can't even hate, bro. Scott should have done that in the first game. That's... Come on. And he's back. Raise that door up, little bruh. Look, already have 412, 40% power. I can make that... Whoa. Phase 1 already? Slow down. Slow down, boy. Slow down with all that movement. What? Oh my gosh, he's egregious. He's hungry. Hasn't eaten in years. What hunger will do to a man. Especially Foxer. What the frick? I didn't even know you could do that! We got like premium cameras in this FNAF game. Hey bro, I freaking messed with it. Here, wait, hold on. Here comes Frinkle. Hold on. Here comes Friggle. With the little dum dum dum. I wish I could see when he's like walking down. That's like crazy. Alright, get a move on. Get a stinking move on. Hey! I love that extra tap that they do. Chica, you get your big butt. I love that extra tap that they do. That's so neat. When your boy mad and you show it. Okay, I have 21% power. I thought it would have been like 5. I keep that door closed for a long time. This is actually one of the few designs of the pizzeria I'd actually want to go to IRL, bro. You hopping in the Chunker Rocket, have a time of your life. Freddy Amusement Park, hop on the Freddy Plunge. The Chunker Plunge, bro. Get a free cupcake if you get over 400 score. What did he appear on my screen? Okay, yeah. Hashtag win. Hashtag me in it. Get it, Harvey. Get it, Harvey. Get it, Harvey. Oh. He's got the hips, bro. He's a sassy little Harv. Starts spinning on his head. Crazy man dem, bro.
Hey, kid. So tonight's task is a little more, involved. It ain't gonna be fun, but someone's gotta do it.
That's
So,
clean stinking
you know the
toilets,
crawl
right?
maze that's under Pirates Cove?
Oh.
The one I mentioned?
Oh.
Well, Apparently some kid snuck in when no one was looking.
Was, like,
and
still
left
in
the
there?
toy in there.
Okay.
And now I've got an angry parent yelling at me. I think you know what I'm asking.
Yep.
Traverse the maze tunnels to find a green frog. Traverse the maze tunnels to find a green frog plushie. Use left click to pick a direction.
You really?
First entering a new area, listen for Foxy's humming. If you hear him, do not use your flashlight. Instead, hold space to hold your breath until he leaves.
FNAF, but they can hear you breathe. Wait, no, I legitimately already made a video on that, bro. We're running out of FNAFs, bro. We're running out of FNAFs, legitimately.
If you don't hear anything, it's safe to shine your light. If you do see him ahead of you in the tunnel, use left click to repeatedly flash him with your flashlight.
Okay. Let's take a go.
There's Foxy.
Oh, good eye. I totally would have missed that, bro. All the stages over there. Well, the odds I could just stand out here the whole night. Wait a minute. This parent is hashtagging him, hashtag ticked off because the kid left a frog plushie? Bro, I'll buy him a new one, bro. All right, let's go. Okay.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
I can. Luca was here. Luca's like dead, probably. All right. Hearing sentences heightened to 20%. Clear. It's like some... What? I thought I heard someone pooping in a toilet. Wait, no, wait, how did I die? I definitely just forgot all the instructions. All right, bro. Clear. Where's the arcade? This guy's an idiot. He climbed in here and I knows where the arcade is. Clear. This is a good minigame, bro. This is a good minigame. I like that. Foxy want to get down and dirty with the demons. In this case, the demon. They call me the exception. Let's take a little right turn. So, I meant left turn.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Wait, like the maze changes every single time. What the fart? New architecture mode. That's such a hard reaction time. It says you gotta repeatedly flash him when you see him, and I'm just like thinking to myself, like, oh, I'm gonna die. Did you get enough time to the flashlight?
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh my gosh. Top strats. Okay, epilepsy warning. I just shouldn't even flash in the first place. I should just, as soon as I want to flash. Oh my gosh. Hashtag freaking genius. Hashtag man use his brain. Watch this. Top strats. It's crazy how they programmed him to be able to climb in a particular. Ooh, oh.
I don't see it.
Well, we didn't explore the whole maze just yet, bro. Oh, that's such a good freaking tech, bro. Hashtag meta, bro. Meta inventor. It's like I'm Tfue, bro. Every time I leave a little what's Josh doing on the floor? Josh, get up. Get the frick out, bro. I'm scared him, bro. Real man's in the building. What's Fredbear's? Fredbear went for a little crawl, bro. Good play, Max. Good play. I'm definitely getting closer. He's puppy guard.
It's not here.
What? I gotta be close. I gotta be close. I gotta be close.
Green frog.
Oh, yes.
That must be it.
Let's go. Let's go. Try again, little buddy. All right, I'm gonna just keep taking left turns. I should get out, yeah? No. Where's the exit? No, wait. Was I already in here? I don't know. Bro, I got crazy movement down there. You guys just can't see it, bro, and it's that way for a reason. That was it, wasn't it? Ah. Very good, very good, very good. Alright, you guys, well, if you did enjoy me playing the demo of Five Nights at Freddy's Blood and Gears, and you would like to see me play the full game, make sure to let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you didn't make it this far. Make sure to comment your favorite tiles down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. I'm missing all my stinking coins. Oh, come here. Is this door open now? It is. Let's go. Oh, this still, dude. Oh, come here. Come here. This game is awesome. Correct, bro. Hello, everybody. My name is SeerFest. Welcome back to Ultra Kill. Now, if you haven't already seen the first video, I heavily recommend you do so. Y'all seem to freaking love this series thus far. I did not expect that video to do as well as it did. But now let's get back into sucker. Wait. Oh, right. There's something I need to do before I start the video. Oh my gosh. How could I forget, man? How silly am I? All right. Oh, yeah. Yes, Siri. What is it?
I don't know if it's just me, but you need to learn how to parry, young boy.
You'd be correct. Now, if y'all were watching part 1, y'all would have thought I killed somebody and their name was Perry, bro. There's probably about 2,000 comments on that Gosh Darn video talking about some backstory on how to parry, bro. Alright, so let me... Where's the Gosh Darn Perry button? What the frick was that, bro? I like...
To parry an Ultra Kill, use your feedbacker arm to punch incoming attacks.
Oh. So, use the feedbacker arm to punch. So, you're telling me they shoot a bullet at me, and I punch it back at them? And you guys were getting frustrated at me because I wasn't playing the game doing that bullcrap? What? Alright, now, I saw a little Easter egg of somebody saying you can parry. So hold on, let me break this down. Here's what the comment saying. I shoot the shotgun bullet. The bullet exits the rifle. I frame perfect to punch, and I punch the bullet. I parry my own bullet. Let's see. That's an actual mechanic? Yo,
back up, bro.
Let's start the video. Limbo 3rd, Halls of Sacred Remains. Welcome back to Ultra Kill, everybody. Let's get this stinking sucker back on the road. Split color doors only require one skull to open. If you do not seek hardship, stay indoors. Hardship is my second middle name. My first middle name, I'm not gonna say that. That would reveal information about me. And I don't want you guys. All right, okay. All right, I'm gonna shoot. All right, I'm gonna get the red skull first. Let's go. Say hello, everybody. Where's the enemies at? Would you want to experience my parry bullets? No, that seems to do the trick. Yo, what the frick are these guys doing down here, bro? Hold on, you gotta press the button as soon. Wait, it's not working anymore. Hold on, I got the timing wrong. Hold on. There we go. Now it's time. Hold on. I gotta get back in the floor, buddy. Oh my gosh, I'm washed. I lost all my skill. Hold on. Let's go. Spawn the buddies. Let's spawn the buddies. Alright, now I gotta remember I can do a little slam down. Sorry. That'll get somebody. Now, hold on. I can apparently, like, parry the... Hold on. What the dude's just running around? Hold on. I see. That's what y'all were tweaking out about? I thought this was some crazy mechanic. I mean, it's pretty good. But I can clearly put in work all day. I don't even need that, bro. Ultra Kill pros right now. Little does he know. These guys are just shooting a bunch of bullcrap at me, bro. Now, I read a comment that said the more I switch between weapons, the more style points I get, which, okay, I'll try it out. We'll see how it works. And also, I was apparently using the... Yo! Alright, the game's like tweaking out. They're like spawning everybody and their mom and stuff. Hold on, I need to like focus 100. I'm trying to like parry the machine gun and stuff. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Are you serious? That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's okay. Sorry. All right, now I got distance on these guys. I'm not locked into like a singular thing. This guy doesn't know what he's ready for. Ready for this? Ready for this? Okay, dang it. I wanted to do 4, bro. That would have been freaking sick. Oh, that's weird. He vanished. I don't know where he went. That guy just doesn't even know what he's doing over there. All right, let's go. Gosh, I gotta move this glass. I'm actually gonna spill like a bunch of fluid all over my gaming table if I don't. Gaming table. I'll spill a bunch of fluid over my whole freaking thing. Hold on. This guy's the last guy. Let's do something real funny here. How'd he get on the first floor? All right, let's go. Let's continue. Sorry, I had to get back in the mode. Checkpoint. Thank you very much. Let's go. Switch between weapon style points on 1 million. It's like hard to... Yeah, there's like a timing gotta do with that, which is like absolutely crazy. I'll take it. Did that hit anybody? Oh, shoot. Don't step in the lava, young one. Oh, what am I doing? I'm like jumping. I did that last time. Is there, so you can dash and jump at the same time? Oh yeah, and it just sends you across the whole stinking map. All right, cool.
No.
Oh! Your mother wishes you could come home for dinner. Oh, I'm just gonna blow up everybody. I'm like, Dad. Bro, it's killing me, bro. Why are they just walking away, bro? Try to escape challenge. Bro, and they keep spawning the bosses on the levels. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's get it. Somebody was crapping on my crosshair placement too, bro. Yeah, maybe if I was playing frickin' Valorant. Frickin' game.
Oh my gosh!
What's that dude shooting stinky bullets? Check this out. Was? I didn't kill him? Yo, he's like launching nukes at me and stuff, bro. Yeah, take that, loser. Take this out. Alright, I'll take it. Called the standard shred. Signature move, man. Bro, they're out here playing like music at 200 BPM. I got this little watch on that'll tell me how fast my heart rate's right now. It's gonna like send me a notification like, hey, are you okay? Your heart rate's at like 3 trillion. I'll be like, yeah. It's like Luigi's Mansion music. Okay, a little triple point start off to everybody. Launch a bomb in the middle. 360. Slam down. Hold on, I'm just having a day, everybody. I'm just having a day. Switching weapons on him, switching weapons on him. Right, all my bullets go over there. Thank you, please. Oh my gosh, I'm flicking on these boys. Little reverse. Get the frick out of my lobby, little boy! Let's go, man! Oh! Wicked. I'm causing havoc in this stinking lobby. Causing havoc. Oh. Sorry, boys. I know y'all are screaming at your screens. Max, why aren't you pairing? Too many mechanics. I like can't focus at one time. Gosh, I'm a frickin'. I'm actually. Something in the sky. No, it's Max. Oh, sorry, I missed on you. Hello. I'm carrying around a tank with me, bro. I gotta use it somehow, bro. Alright, I just lied. Alright, they're gonna activate young man right here. I've only seen this guy like fight like 3 times. He's wicked. Here, hold on, let me just... Alright, where am I supposed to go from here? Am I supposed to go back? No. I think I'm supposed to go somewhere. Oh, shoot! I didn't even realize I was supposed to get this. Oh, here they come. Holy fart. Triple! Sorry, guys. Get the frick out, man! Get the frick out, man! Oh my gosh, he's feeling it. I might be the best to ever touch the game. Alright, we go back and then put the red skull on the funny location. Please don't spawn any more enemies. I kind of want to have a good time. They may let me have that one. I'll take it, bro. Genius. A little upgrade station on. I got like 1,000,000 points, right? Now, somebody said I should have gotten the pump charge or something. What is it? Somebody said I should get the overheat. I might as well try it. Okay, let's see how it works. All right, bro. All right, bro, I'm out. Hideous mass. Dang it. Okay, I gotta, hold on, right, check this out. Double parry back to man. I know this was, somebody said I was using this wrong. Apparently, like, the bullets in this mode are, like, crazy wicked. Oh, those track me. Those track me, that's crazy. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, what the frick is that, bro? Okay, I gotta... Alright, just jump over that real fast, hold on. Okay, that's cool. Triple on the man down. Hold on. Genius, I'll take that. I'm kind of going crazy on it. Hold on. Oh, of course. Come on, parry the shotgun bullets. Yes, I need one of those. Switch weapons on the man down. Shoot over here. 2 coins. Back down. Mexico in for the OG. 3 Ultra Kill FS, bro. Name in all caps, bro. Give it to me. Triple S in the top, or double S. Double S in the top corner. Hatchet feeling crazy. Time taken, 0.6 seconds. Kills, the entire universe. Style, ungrabbable. Result, triple S. Let's keep it going, bro. Bro, it was killed me. Somebody in the comments of the last video, he was like, I know it's your first time playing, but you should try to like P rank every level. Bro, y'all did that bullcrap when I did the 500k Granny, the XL Granny Gauntlet. Y'all were like, all right, okay, now do it on hard mode. No, that joke is impossible. Okay, well, it's probably possible, but no joke, for the 500k Granny thing, I think that took me like a month and a half of practice. I'll leave that challenge, I'll leave that to Astral Smith, bro. I'll leave that to those other challenge YouTubers, bro. I'm no masochist. Now, I do want to try nurse. Okay. I do want to try out this sharpshooter. Alt fire, charge a piercing beam that ricochets off surfaces. See, but is that aimbot ricochet off surface or just ricochet? Do I gotta like calculate the angles on that? I'm not. Hey, bro. Trigonometry? I'm out, bro. Okay, let's see. How do I? What was that? Excuse you guys. Whoa. Wait a minute. Whoa. I start twirling the sucker. Wait, why can I low-key do that like IRL? Bro think he's 3FS, bro. I kinda do have to calculate it. No, wait, maybe it is aimbot. Hold on, let's get in front of some enemies. Let's test it out. Nighttime virtual world. Is this music not copyright? Didn't like, this Beethoven? This is one of those big music guys. I know they wrote these. Sorry. You can never trust anybody in these worlds. Hey, bro. Isn't this called Moonlight Sonata? I think it is. Ironic. Virtual moon. No real moon, everybody. See, we got 2 big billies with the white balls. Wonder what they will do later. What the frick is this? Clair de lune. Is that French? Clair de lune. I don't know. Comment dit-on en français, 3FS is a frickin' baller. 3 skulls! You're tripping out, bro. Ooh, his white ball is glowing. Okay. Where do I gotta go? Oh, shoot. I didn't even know I could go in here. What are we gonna have? What should we have for dinner? Are we having dinner? Okay, hold on. So, yeah, something's not right here. Oh, knew it. Hashtag knew it. I'm not gonna lie, with the whole parry mechanic, pressing F just doesn't feel right. Whoa, is that sucker like a flashlight? It's like giving me light now. That doesn't feel right to do mid-battle. I just want to use this hand to start like aimbotting on everybody. That's what feels right. Making me do like blue skull hide and seek. I respect it. Who is this, bro? Bro, they always have a character doing something in slow motion, bro. That happened in the Spoon game, bro. What the frick is going on? Can you count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 white balls again, bro. Don't mess around. Wait, I just pressed that button. What does that do? 4. What does that do? Hey. When your boy pressing buttons? Ooh. Wait, I can go up there. Ah, hello, sir. Oh, forgive me. Oh, wait, they're doing like lore building now. Very interesting. Duh, Blue Skull. Oh, do I even want to go in there? It's probably gonna get freaking wicked. Oh, I didn't even notice that. What's up, little dude? All right, let's get real. Let's show them what we're made of. Welcome to your death. The music cut out. Just got real. What do we got? Yo, what the frick is this guy doing? Interesting. It seems this individual's played games before. Let's go. Let the games begin. Cycle through equipped arms with G. What is this other one I got? Yo!
Man, them really got an explosive arm.
I'm gonna frick it up with this thing, bro. Let's go. That's where this. I think that's a bug. It says 3 restarts. I think I did that first T. Okay, let's see what this arm thing is about, bro. What the frick am I? Let's see where this arm. Knuckle Blaster. Hold F to create shockwave that knocks enemies back. Dude, it kills me because it's just it's like an actual nuke on my freaking fist. Yeah. Oh, I hit third bullet. Get ripped. Oh, wait a minute. That's and then this is my I see. Okay, that was an accident. I didn't mean to kill that guy. That's my parry arm. And then I switch over to the Knuckle Blaster arm. Okay. What's up, dude? Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Hey, bro, that's freaking sick. I'll take. Oh, hold on. Don't fall off the mat. Dude, I might just do this the whole freaking game. This is it, bro. They're giving me baby enemies, bro. Give me a stinking challenge, all right? Hold on. You want to shoot it? No, one more time. No, a little bit up, a little bit up, a little bit up. Okay, it seems that your bullets are bound vertically. That's okay. All right, hold on. 1 second, everybody. Yo, what the frick is this? Bridge burner. Oh! Oh! It just got real. I'm missing all my stinking coins. Oh, come here. I'm forgetting I can do like little smackdowns. Oh, wait, I'm just. Sorry. Okay. Hold on, switch arms. Launch it at me, then. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead, do it. Blast him. No, that's fine. Where man's at? Alright, let's keep going. Yeah! Oh my gosh, don't scare me like that, bro. Oh my gosh, I thought it was all over. Oh my gosh, group photo. Group photo. Let's do it again. Let's do it on the big man. Big man ting. Oh, big man ting. Who's like screaming in the lobby, bro? Someone's... That's okay, I'll take care of that real quick. Hold on. You gonna wake now, dude? Alright. Hey, not taking the offense, alright. Jump during a dash for a long distance dash jump. Alright, I just didn't do that. That's what I was doing on accident. Okay, yeah, you gotta do them simultaneously and then you get to start acting like a frickin' plane. Dang it, come here! Those little purple guys, oh! Those little purple guys are always running away, you know what I mean? They're always running away. You gotta get them when you can. Oh my gosh, it's too much fun, bro. It's too stinking easy. Now I'm gonna be eating my words, I'm assuming, here pretty soon on that. Where do I gotta go? Shoot, okay, I guess here. Get the frick out of here, bro. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. I didn't know that dude was still alive. He's like still shooting at me. Gosh, I'm 1 HP. I need to punch somebody in the neck. Where do I gotta go? Okay, good save, Max. Good save. Okay, that's it. Alright, I'll take it. I'll take it. That was a good round. I'm blowing through these levels like a clarinet, man. Feeling like Squidward. I just keep going down, man. Honestly, I'm not too interested. Ooh. Death at 20,000 volts. Who is that, bro? They got Big Man Ting behind this wall, bro. That's crazy. Where's everybody at? Where's everybody at? Circular checkpoints can be reused to keep your progress. Ah, I see. So it's kind of just like it's like a wave thing. All right, all right. Let's get used to this map layout then. Let's do some trick shots. How we feel? Let's go. Wait. I gotta like do something to activate that, no? Ah. Oh, shoot. Get fricked on, bro. This is my frickin' lobby. These fire guys are so annoying, bro. I hate the fire guys. And I gotta destroy like the little fuse boxes. Hold on, let's see what this other one is. What is in here? Oh. Man's already dead. Okay. Yeah, that just spawns more dudes. Gosh, it's wicked, bro. I'm actually, it's just second nature. It's just second nature at this point. I'm already with it now. Gosh, I can only imagine how crazy the speedruns of this game are. Get the frick off, man! Oh, it's one of those guys. Is this door open now? It is. Let's go. Oh, there's still a dude? Oh. Come here. Come here. Alright, let's continue. Oh, wait, I'm going like up now. Where am I going? The Golden Tower of Wonder. Climb up the staircase, get 500,000 points. What was that? That was weird. That was weird. I don't know what happened right there. No, switch. There we go. Yes, we gotta use that force field. I'll take that. I'll take that. Back up, then. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Fist bump. You want? Oh, you want fist bump? Okay. Oh yeah, just jump off the tower. Oh. I'm like doing stuff I don't even know what I'm doing. Only the feedback or blue arm can parry projectiles. I see. So, man's either parry. Wait a minute. Where's the... Oh, I'm using just the wrong arm, bro. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, bye, guys. I like how they give them little yells when they're... Group photo. I love how they, like, have them yelling when they're falling and stuff. Easy, bro. Easy. Sorry, that was instinct. I didn't even mean to click right there. Rail cannon, bro? Recharges even when unequipped. Switch to... Okay, wait, no, it has to charge. Best charge up. Hold on. We're gonna do a little something called a max special. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war. Dude, that guy specifically was just asking for that one, bro. I saw it in his eyes. He just wanted it.
Okay, buddy, I'm ready. Hit me.
Gosh, I will say nothing's beating this, nothing's beating the frickin' coin toss, bro. It's just too much. It's just too good. Okay, the whole thing on this map is just... Hold on. Fist bump. Get out, then. What's going on, lad? Let's go take a walk in the park, then. Sorry, mate. Let's go. Let's frickin' go, then. I gotta get 3 of them this time. Alright, there's another one. I'll take it. Here we go. Hold on. I know what I'm gonna use this for. Sup, boy? Oh, wrong weapon. Or, sup, boy? Let's go. Get the frick on, man. It's too easy. Hold on. Parry this. Let's go. Not charged up. Oh my gosh, he's feeling it. Look at him. Light work. No reaction. Man, even trick shots a checkpoint. That's how you know it gets serious. All right, we got this sucker full blast. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get the next point. First man I see, he's disintegrated. There it is. All right, now time for the deal breaker. Gosh, and that didn't kill him. How crazy. Oh, that did. Okay. Quad coin had him feeling crazy. Quad coin had him giving up. All right. Now, isn't this thing open now? This door over here? Yes, it is. Let's go. Come on, Den. Genius. Gosh, I'm having too much fun. This is the I've been recording for 51 minutes. Doesn't even feel like I've been recording for 51 minutes. I love this environment. Sheer heart attack with it. Where it was like jump scares and stuff. FNAF. What they got going on? I gotta get the red skulls. I see. What's through here? Checkpoint. Let's go. I gotta remember I gotta come back. Let's go. Hold on, another group photo. Y'all ready? Set it! Where do I gotta go? Gosh, it's just style points all day and frickin' night for me, bro. Was I supposed to find anything here, or was I just having fun? I think I was just having fun. Oh, no, we go this way, Blue school. I don't even know where I'm supposed to put this. Oh no, I gotta put it there. Here we go. Hold on, underwater fighting. Men dev flipping coins, feeling lucky underwater. When your boy about to parry a bullet underwater, but he's having fun. And he misses. Then he does it. Plants vs. Zombies up in this freaking game. Bam. Let's go. First person I see, disintegration. First person I see. It's immediate. Who's it gonna be, boys? Who's it gonna be? What do we got going on over here? What do we got going over here? Oh, what's up, friend? Hey. Oh. Maybe he wanted to talk. I don't know. I saw like a look in his eyes, and it all just faded. Easy. Come on. Red Skull, just what I was looking for. Let's go, baby. I know exactly where to put you. Mind Flare? What the frick is this? No, bro, float, bro. He's teleporting. Hold on. Yeah, that's a big chunk off of your health bar, isn't it, buddy? Hold on. Oh my gosh, I just missed all my coins. That would have been so cool. Hold on. I gotta hit a trick shot. I gotta hit trick shot. Trick shot. Come on, bro. Gosh, that would've been so cool. I knew it was over. I'll take it. I'll take it. No, that was horrible. That freaking sucked. I could have done something way cooler. All right, that's fine. Hold on. Anybody here want to give me a little health? Hey, I'm feeling a little low. Anybody here want to give me some? Come on. Oh, I gotta fight him again? Oh, what's up, dude? Hold on, sorry. Like, your buddy was like... Oh, yeah, get close then. Get close then. See what happens in it. Get close then. Explode on your boys. There's explosions in the lobby, I don't really know how. Gosh, I just obliterated that young man. Say goodbye, buddy. Where am I going now? I'm going to like the purple lounge. Oh, okay, I'll take it. Bang. Sheer heart attack. Gosh, that was a lot. That was a lot. I was like barely commentating. I was doing so much. 2-4. We're making big progress. We're making big plays, bro. Forward, please. Very nice. Yeah, let's go extra fast. Climax, Court of the Corpse King. Is that big guy? We're gonna fight the big guy? Sorry, I thought I saw somebody. You kidding me? Stop sign? Stop sign? Why I gotta get off here? What's up? What's going on, y'all? Gotta go through here. What's up? Blue Skull. I see. Oh, how beautiful. All right. Now they're not gonna let me get away with this free, right? They're gonna like spawn like 5 million guys. Nice. I think they are. Genius. Let's open the gate. I see. Let's keep going. Bang. This is sick. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm going somewhere. Oh my gosh. I thought this wasn't a horror game, bro. What the frick? Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Alright, bro. Alright. Oh, shoot! Why does it feel threatened by my presence? I'm like a little guy, he's like a big guy. Why does it feel threatened by my presence? Ah, I know why. It's me. Yeah, it makes sense. Checks out. Hey, what? Alright. Guess we don't need to go in that room. Come here. I need to punch somebody quick. My health is like all low and stuff. Oh, let's go back. What was that all about?
I'm not walking all that distance. Was this like 2 miles? Come on.
Yes, put that on there. Yes, let's go. Bro, why is it come? Oh my gosh, it's a horror. It actually just turned into a horror game. What is that? I'm kind of like taking its health off though, somehow. What is that? When your boy spawns in a black hole? Ow, 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 bro, ow. That is crazy, bro. How do I possibly dodge that? How do I dodge it? What was that? You give up? Sweet. Let's go. I'll take it, bro. I'll take it. Oh, okay. Just restart. What the frick was that? I did have the die animation. Oh, I can jump over the hand, apparently. How do I switch versions of the gun? Yeah, this is what I need. Oh, bro, he was having none of that, bro. I switched weapons. He was like, nope. Game ends right here. That's crazy. He's feeling it. He's feeling it. He's feeling it. Ew! I learned how to do the mechanic. Alright, I got the parry arm now. I should be able to parry these, yes? That's what I'm talking about! Shoot another one. Shoot another one. You won't. Go ahead, then. Oh my gosh, you just flattened me. What the frick was that, bro? No way, no way, no way. Let's end it. When you try to switch to a weapon, but there's a projectile you can't react to because it's flying at light speed. Frick off with that stupid punch. He like analyzes your location, then has a good day. Frick out of here, bro. You smell like copper wires. Yo! Take a look! What the frick is that? I dodged that all day. You baby wipe. Yes. Go ahead and miss that shot one more time. Yes, find your little portal frickin' butthole in the middle of the map. Does nothing, bro. Because I shoot you all day and night. Go ahead. Slap the wall. Go ahead. I dodged out of the way like a little man. But I'm the biggest man in the lobby because you clearly only seem to have size to compensate for your huge ego and your lack of confidence or social skills. Yeah, butthole hole. What's 2 times. Yeah, go ahead. I get you down to half health, you start stressing out, little boy. Go ahead, punch the wall one more time. Maybe that'll help. Dodge. Dodge. I read your every freaking move. Double coin toss just for the man down, get you down to half health. Yeah, let's wreck this one. Ready? Ready? Check this out. Oh, ultra kill. Open my lobby. Oh yeah, guess what? I'm gonna parry this one. Oh wait, I'm gonna parry that one. Uh-oh, you're stressing. Uh-oh, you're stressing. That's not good. Dodge that punch once more again. Yes, I'm lighting you up like it's all freaking day and night, like it's 4th of July, because I'm recording this on 4th of July, little boy. Go ahead, punch it. Punch that wall. Punch that wall. Feel what it feels like. Get a taste of the glory. I parry you, young man. Frick out, man! Hit the ground. 1 for the viewers. 2 for the grandmas. 3 for the single mothers. 4 for the newborn babies. Welcome to the world. How poetic that I'm walking in the mouth. Man, frick out the lobby, bro. It's crazy how I did that in negative tries. What a joke you are. go, man. New world, new me, baby. New world, new me. Let's see what we're getting into. Belly of the Beast. This is good. A little too good. I think I'm gonna save it for the next episode. I know. Alrighty, y'all, if you did enjoy that episode of Ultra Kill, you would like to see me go to the Belly of the Beast, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Make sure to comment your favorite timestamp of this video. Now, I know you guys are absolutely loving this series. I am too. I'm having so much fun playing this freaking game. If you guys want to see me continue going to the Belly of the Beast, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Now, I will say this. I know I said for the Resident Evil games over the summer, I am still going to do that now, but in a couple weeks here, I am going to be moving, so my schedule's gonna be a little bit tight. I'm gonna be getting a new place. I'm gonna be setting up and everything. It's gonna be pretty new to me doing all that again, like all the furniture and stuff. So it may take me a while. It may take me not that long. So if you guys see a little bit of space in between uploads, that's why. I just don't want to scare you guys. But I'll be sure doing Resident Evil 8 here pretty soon. Probably a very long part 1 of that. And like I said, guys, with these videos, make sure to show your support. A like, a comment, whatever you guys can do. I've been having a great time playing this game. I know you guys are enjoying watching it. But as always, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Where's my sound at, bro? Now, fellas, a recent favorite series of mine on this channel has been one under the name of White Knuckle. And if you haven't seen the previous, I think, 3 videos it is, I heavily recommend you watch it before going to this video because, well, today, fellas, today is the finale. Howdy, fellas, my name is SeerFest. Welcome back to White Knuckle. Now, if you had seen the most recent video on this game, I passed the Abyss and I got to something called the Nest. But when I reached the Nest, the screen went black and I wasn't able to see anything. Now, after I ended that recording, I said, oh, shoot, that means there's an update coming soon. I didn't know it was this soon. So let's not wasting more time. Let's conquer the Nest. And clearly, before I start, yes, I'll be making another Ultra Kill video. I cannot thank you guys enough for the kind reception on that video. Yes, I saw y'all's comments about learning how to parry. I will do that. But I just want to say thank you guys. I was like, that was kind of a video for me. I was unsure how it was going to do for you guys and all that. But so where I stepped out of the Nest, and I'm just so thankful for the reception on that video. I will be coming out with another part soon. Probably a pretty long part. So if you enjoyed in the first episode, you'll probably enjoy the second episode. That's coming ASAP. But let's get into the game. Now, I may be a little bit rusty. You know what? Frick that. Hold on. Go buy cosmetics real quick. Let me get a little nice. See, I didn't even know I got these. These are stinking tough, bro. All right, we're hashtag so let's get back in it. Do I have to play the entire game again to get to the end again? Don't tell me, bro. I have to beat the whole game again? Oh my. All right, I did a little playing off camera. I'm like virtually the best ever to ever touch this game, right? Okay, goodness. Why are my hands shaking? What the frick am I playing right now? No. Okay. Yeah, frick that. I'm not doing the hunger beat. I was about to be like, yo.
What is that, bro?
All right, nothing crazy. Let me just beat the whole game real quick. Yeah, let me just get back to the Abyss area. It's the hands. All right, no, it's not even bad. I'll just beat 3 videos worth of a game just immediately. It's like honestly, if I ever get to talk to the developer, I did not want a load chapter button so I can press the bit and then get to the Nest. Like, I didn't want that. I didn't want it, and because I truly did want to play the whole game again. Like, the game is just so much fun. There's just legitimately, this game is just that good. I just want to play the whole thing again. I'm gonna skip through most. This won't be bad at all, because legitimately I would play this game for fun while in VC with my boys, so I'm really good and stuff now, so it's chill. What the frick is that doing here? Alright, now this is going to be incredibly easy. If I end up getting, oh gosh, what was the frickin' thing I ended up getting? Was it low gravity? I forgot the perk it was called when I got to the plate. Let me just, hold on, let me just not die real quick. He's just sucking on me. Frick out, lad. I totally forgot the name of that perk, but it was I could jump super far and stuff. Oh, it was so good. I just remember it was so frickin' good. Oh, I will say oh my gosh, that's what's called frickin' rabbit DNA, bro. If I get rabbit DNA, it's nothing. Y'all will literally blink. IRL time. Mark my words. Y'all will blink and I'll be at that last level, bro. All right, so I got 3 chances to get rabbit DNA. I just need to get it once. Okay, so it's a dud on the first one. Not good. Okay. Pray for the reroll.
Okay, this one's like pretty good. So off camera, I will play the endless modes, right? Where you can start like stacking upgrades. It's so much freaking fun. And that one, the ligament restructure, oh boy. Like, look at this. I'm just like hitting my, ow. Like hitting my head into the ceiling every time I stink and jump. That one's good. If I do that paired with the rabbit DNA, it'll be like, all right, now my main goal is I just can't die right here because I'll just like, yeah, okay, gosh, crazy to me how I was just like how bad I was when I first like went to the pipeworks. Hold on. Yo! Oh! What is that, bro? Scared the crap out of me. Oh, he's bumping me. Hold on, it's like just a little bit close. I'll say it's crazy how bad I was when I Yo! What? It's just like spawned in. It's crazy how bad I was when I first frickin' started. It's crazy how easy this game like became after just like a little bit of practice. What? Yo, what's going on? But then again, I did see like YouTube videos. You can get so gosh darn good at this. Bro, people have beat this main campaign in like 5 minutes. I don't know if that's with like planned upgrades or not. I don't even think it is. It's like you get lucky too. Frickin' wicked, bro. See, I'm on pace, I think, for 4 minutes right now, so I'm like doing pretty good. Alright, here's our second chance to get that rabbit DNA. Also, I should probably make... Oh, I forgot. I need to make, like, save points and crap. I'd much rather get rabbit DNA, though. Please, please, please. Gosh, that sucks.
Designated employee daycare is assumed to be a periphery instance and will be shot on site.
Yo, what did she just say? Bro, that's crazy. I never heard did she even say that voice line the first time. What are they talking about? Sweet, okay, I'm already back here. Okay, oh, yeah. Good freaking gracious, bro. All right, I'll take it. Now, okay, which artifact do I get? A sword? Oh, and then that's like the little create your own handhold. What the frick is this? Please tell me this provides me a like movement advantage. Okay, all right, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. This is the final chance to get the rabbit DNA. If I get the rabbit DNA, oh, sorry everybody. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, all right. Let's load up the disc, get a little save. Magical backup. Oh, please. Please, I just need that rabbit DNA. Rabbit DNA is all I need. Come on, bruv. All right. Lock in your answers, lock in your answers. Wait. Wait, no upgrade station? Hey. Wait, let me just get this one instead. I'm a freaking idiot. So wait, there's no upgrade station here. Wait, was there one last time? I don't know. I think it's just the save. Dang, I was looking forward to that rabbit DNA. Okay, hold on. Let's understand how this little guy works real quick. So is it a dash forward? No. Is it when I move? No. What does it do? That's the weakest thing ever. I moved forward an inch. No. Certainly not. Hold on, bro. Let me get a little testy. Bro, this thing straight up sucks wiener. Bro, come on, bro. I would have taken the spear over this, bro. The one you want to get, oh, there's one you could get. It's the glove. Bro, so when I was doing my little endless runs, right? You wear this glove, bro. It's like MJ, bro. MJ glove. You like go, and it makes your junk like low gravity, like 50% gravity for like 90 seconds. It's freaking wicked. Bro, I surely have to be using this wrong. Bro, I might look up the wiki to see how this thing uses. Bro, this thing is a sack of horse manure, bro. I'm not gonna let the run end because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm pulling up the gosh darn wiki. The developer was like, yeah, let's add like a sword in the game.
This guy is 16.
What have that video pulled up?
White knuckle artifacts.
This thing's called the Rapier? Wait a stinking minute! I knew I was using it wrong! Oh! Proper man, proper technique. So I just need to hit a little like... Okay, don't do that. All right, that's the method. That's how I'm gonna get around. Let's go, baby, come on.
to record for 43 minutes. This is what dreams are made of. Now, it's kind of a little bit unfortunate because I don't have it like with the other ones. I can like, the fact that I have a big jump also helps, but this one, it doesn't really. Okay, wait, let's test it out, let's test it out. Does that work midair? Oh, it does. Oh, genius. Yeah, it runs over. But it's like not that much, but I mean, I'll take it, I'll take it. Okay, yeah, wait, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice, I kind of like it. Oh, I just aim it up and I just glide for eternity. Oh, I can do it multiple times. Yep, oh, yep. Big ups on the man, Dev. Big! Oh, let's go, bro. This is a great addition. Oh! Okay, alright. Okay, I got it. Alright, note taken, note taken, note taken. Do not do it when you're close to a object. You're gonna like bounce back. Gosh! Alright, you know what they say when they try to teach somebody new something, when they teach somebody something new, it takes a minute because there's something called learning. Oh my gosh, and I lost all my little busters. Fart, man. Yeah, the rappel is kind of nice. The rappel's kind of swaggy. Sometimes I'll wear jeans, but they usually aren't baggy. There's probably somebody out there watching my video right now. What's up, Maggie? Oh my gosh, okay, it's like kind of weak. Oh, it's on like cooldown mode. Okay, oh, don't do that, bro, don't do that. All right, I'll put you back for a second, little buddy. Rest up, rest up. All right, are you awake and ready for me? Yes. Okay, so I just gotta use it. What the frick is this? I don't remember seeing pipe works in the abyss. All right, when does man start chasing me? Oh, there he is. Okay, sorry, staring me down. All right, see, the key to the abyss is just to have height. If you have height, you can fall and land somewhere. Top 10 strats ever discovered, bro. Bro, it's crazy how I'm kind of just like running through this now. Like my first time playing this, I was scared as a mouse up in the house, bro. I did not want to fall. I don't now, but like I'm way less scared. Yo! All right, okay, I gotta like time it a little bit better. Oh, what is this change they made? You gotta like climb a ladder now? Frick, no. All right, let's put it away. Let's put it away. All right, I'll take that, I'll take that, I'll take that, I'll take that. I'll take that, I'll take that, I'll take that. Whoa! Let's go. All right, this is where it gets dicey. This is where the game's either gonna frick you or have fun times. Woo! Jump on that one. Run, what the frick, what the frick, what the frick? This is new, this is new, this is new, this is new, this is new. Alright, here we go. Escape, little one. Little one? Here we are, the nest. Alright, here's where the video really starts, everybody. Alright, door's closed. Okay. Gosh, it's no coincidence that I have to get pee really bad right now. Oh, gosh, I'm very surprised I was able to do that. Let's get some freaking applause. Woo! Did that casually, man. Come on. All right, what do we got here? Please tell me it's a say. Plead for your help? What? What's going on? Oh. Brah. All right, let's crank this sucker open. Is it locked? Don't come down on me now. All right, cool. When the place has a save zone and an upgrade zone. All right, this is where we're getting rabbit DNA. 2x, cost 8. You already got that in the bank. Let's go, put that in there. Create a save real quick. Upgrades. Let's freaking go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Peak stuff, bro. That's. Let's go, boy. All right. Where are we going? What are we doing? How's everybody doing? All right, we're good. We're good. Open it up. Elevator. Oh, no, you didn't. Inventory upgrade pouch. Adds a pouch to your inventory where you can stack up to 5 of the same. I have to contain it right now, everybody. I have to contain it. I do. No! Okay, don't waste the ammo, Max. Don't waste the ammo. Okay, what do I gotta do? What do I gotta get? Let me shoot the coils. Yeah. They gave me a frickin' gun. Oh my gosh, here's where it gets good. Here's where it gets good. Alright, where do we gotta go?
Failsafe. Offline. Eraser. Failsafe. Offline.
Failsafe.
Exotic weapons. Offline. Conventional
Don't touch that.
weapons. Offline.
I'm scared to touch these new things because they hurt. What the frick is that, bro? That was extremely lucky. All right, bro. I'm actually just gonna. It's just wraps. Oh! Why? Thank you. Thank you so much. So, okay. If I hit the little flower, it creates a little path. Bro, stinking W edition, bro. Let's go. Press it. It's getting so serious now. Oh, I don't need. Ah, shoot! I forgot the light bulb. Sorry, guys, you can't see. Not much time. The consumer is here.
The consumer?
That is the coolest mechanic ever, bro. And I can just ride it. Oh, I can just ride it. Alright, not much time though. I do gotta be quick. I'm not gonna just be sitting around doing jack all. Hold on. Fart. Okay. That just doesn't work. That is the sorriest death in all of White Knuckle, bro. Oh my gosh. I forgot I have rabbit DNA. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. I keep forgetting I have rabbit DNA, Max. You have rabbit DNA. Come on. We're just gonna ride him up. Let's just ride him up. Where you going, bro? Oh shoot, hold on. Come to me, quickly. Hold on, I have like little guys that want to say hi to me. 1 second, hold on, little man wants to say hi. Say hi to me quickly? Hi. It's supposed to be literal. Okay, we're up. Alright, we're back in the vents. I didn't think we'd be back in here. Let me turn like the brightness up. Where am I going? I just can't see anything. That's my bad, you guys. I should have grabbed that flashlight. It comes to release me. Oh shoot, that's a dude. And he has exactly what I need. Alright, we gotta open this big old door. Hold on. Yo. Release me. End pact. What the frick is that? Don't get close. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to be talking in a crazy voice the whole time. Release me. Okay. Alright, let's do it then. Must hurry. How much? Go quick. Oh, they walk now. Oh my gosh. Where are these taking me? Are these taking me the other ones? Thank you, bro. Let's go quick. Go quick. Let's go. Come on. Bang. Freedom. So that thing's just loose now? Alright, you're gonna spare me, right? Yo. What's happening? Where's it taking me? Oh. Am I good now? Dude, it's like something was dragging me, bro. I don't remember the hand? The hand incident. Ah! What is going on? I don't want to die. Why? I think that's my last... Bro, it's just dragging me down. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Alright, when bro wants to have a conversation, protection offered. Thank you. Protection offered. Thank you.
I can hold it at bay for now.
Thank you.
The Eater of Worlds.
I met that guy.
Must kill it.
Yup. You're on the right track with that one. Yup.
Climb, child. Time slipping.
Don't have to tell me twice where we're going. All right, do I just go up? Let's go up. Let's go up. I'm the biggest idiot known to man, bro. What the frick am I doing? Question is, where do I gotta climb to? Where do I gotta go? Is there like an entrance somewhere? The whole game's about like going up. I'm assuming it's up there, right? Yup, there we go. Where do I gotta go? Is it like down? Am I supposed to go back? Wait, no, wait, was this not the way I came? What's up, little dudes? Oh, this is where I'm supposed to go. Okay. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Here we go. Back in it. Back in it. Hold on. Nest. Infested labs. Oh, boy. The music, the music. Okay, wait. This is frickin' sick. This is sick. Okay, nice. Oh, this is so dope. Oh my gosh, huge props to the devs. Huge props to the devs. This is phenomenal. I'm like making all this like spit in my mouth. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Oh! What the frick is that? Come down, little buddies. Come down, little buddies. Yup. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, get out. Oh my gosh, get out. I didn't know that it did that. Oh, I got a gun. I just totally forgot. Yeah. Alright, white knuckle to FPS. Okay, now this is really like an action climber now. Now I gotta like focus on climbing while like shooting all these dudes. Like, oh, yes, I know this is a pro. Hold up. Sorry if I like don't commentate. I'm like hashtag focused. Hold on, but it's like hashtag easy. Oh boy. Hold on. Gotta collect all little Joshes. Sorry, Josh. Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's probably just safer to just kill him as soon as I can. Please tell me I don't gotta like do this whole frickin'... Oh, I really don't want to do this whole thing again. Alright, well I know what I'm getting myself into this time. Now, can I like out-climb these little guys? They're not that quick. Yeah, they're not that... Oh, but they just keep coming, bro. Hold on, you forgot... Y'all forgot I must play Ultra Kill last video. Okay, yeah, this is the method. Yeah, and then they got ammo. Oh, they do got ammo for me. Genius. Genius. Let's frickin' go. But yeah, these have explosives. I don't think I ever encountered one of these in my playthrough. Alright, I just need to find something to explode to show y'all how this works. Hold on. Bring out the funny monies. Gosh, that's such a cool mechanic. Sorry. Where does that one take me? We're gonna find out. Let's go. Gosh, such a cool... I love that it just keeps on adding stuff. I just couldn't think they add, but they add it, and then now it's like fun and stuff. Oh, this is frickin' sick, man. Yo, what the frick was that, bro? It had like an 8-bit mouth. Let me steal y'all's let me steal the mags real quick. Okay, now I'm assuming this is just the sweet and like I'm assuming this is like the cupcake and muffins part.
Even protection, slippery beast. Be alert.
Whoa, 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 what? Oh, yeah, dude, I predicted it. Climb, little one. Escape. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want to know what's coming my way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking sick. Freaking sick. Alright. Oh my gosh, there's homie trying to break down the door. Broski! Oh, those are like little guys that attach onto me like leeches. I see, I see. Alright, he's still trying to break the door. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Gosh darn it, of course, bro. Nice, nice, nice! Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Oh, it's sick, man. This is sick. Alright. Oh, the drill. I forgot, like, the drill guy. Okay, shoot. Store that. Store that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm hyped. Come on, I can do this. I got, like, 1 life before I think I teleport back. So, I gotta use this wisely. Is that not the Half-Life logo? The Half-Life logo? Yeah, blow that up. Blow it up. Genius. What the frick was that, bro? It's like moving fast as a fart. I'm going, bro. I'm going, bro. I'm out, bro. I'm out, bro. You're never gonna see my face ever again. Yeah, close it, close it, close it. Okay, okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Like I said, yo, boy, almost forgot I played Ultra Kill, boy. Oh, this is just the freaking best environment ever. Oh, I just can't get up there, though. Yeah. Yup, 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 yup. Beat me up! Yeah. I gotta say this thing comes in handy. It'll come in handy. It'll come in handy. Trust. This is sick. All right. Let's do this right now. What's up, buddy? Bye, buddy. You boys, what's up? Okay, that's fine. Oh, lever. Genius. Come on. Come on. Gosh, this is like level 1, but the stakes are like 1,000,000 times higher. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Gotta hit 2 of them. Okay, a little double shot. All right. I'm with it, Rev. I'm with it. How much more of this I gotta do, bro? This is like 2 of what the first worlds are. Oh, crap. That's not good at all. That's not good at all, bro. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Yes, close the door. Nice. Come on, boy. I was freaking made for this, y'all. One try, Terry. My name is... I'm in very close vicinity to the man right there.
Emergency. Pseudo-neurons entering a highly active state. The 2 classes solar proximity.
What is she saying? I entered a state?
This system is
What is she talking about? I can't understand. It said I. Oh! What the frick is that, bro? Okay, this is just hashtag ridiculous, bro. This is hashtag ridiculous. I don't want to do this. Bro, ew, dude, ew. Okay, alright, my gosh, like, freaking overload, bro. Okay, let's use these, let's kill the guys. Because I don't want to deal with them right now. Good with that. Alright, now I can climb them. Sweet. Alright. All you gotta do is not panic. Oh, I just can't grab there. Alright, I gotta remember. Oh. Okay, just don't panic. Just don't panic. All right, that's fine. I didn't want it anyway. Okay, all right. What the frick? That like wall. Thank goodness I can grab that. Oh my gosh. All right, come on. Let's go. Big freaking thinking, bro. All right, where am I going? Rabbit DNA. Hashtag. Get farted on. I'll take it. Let's go. It's raining. Why is it raining? That means there's sky. There's a sky. I'm just ascending and I don't know how. I'm just going up and I don't know why. Let's frickin' go, man. Hashtag problem solver in the house, bro. Let's go. Almost 5k meters. Alright, stinky zone. We're in the stinky zone. Beware. Hold on. Friends are here. Almost fell through. Frick off, bro! Let's go. Not good at all. I don't know what the frick that is, bro. Bad time to do that. Okay. Gosh, I just like can't even look around and enjoy it. I just gotta... Let's go. Holy crap, no way I just did that.
Purge of meta-computational binding fluid.
Go! What would...
It is now in full control of this system.
Oh crap, dude.
Identified human. Warning. We, I, they, it, he, she, stars.
Is my gift... That's it! Let's go, bro! 5,300,604, baby. And I beat like the whole game like again. Wow. That's it. What a way to end it. I thought it was gonna be some grand opening. Okay, to be quite honest, you know what I thought I was gonna do? I was gonna get to the top of the nest, and there's gonna be a little button that glows red that says, "Kill everybody, big world's largest nuke." Why am I getting score-mogged right now? Let's go, man. That's not the end. Touche. That's not the end. There was the nest and now there's the core. Okay, what cosmetic did I get? Did I get like a hashtag stinking cool one? Ew! Oh! No, I gotta give these a test run. This is the coolest cosmetic in any game ever. Bro, that's freaking sick! That's so cool. I gotta use it right now. Oh! Bro, look at these! Nah, these are sick. Oh my gosh, I just found it. Oh my gosh, the deep sea blue on some Subnautica movement, bro. Come on, bro. These are the coolest freaking thing ever, bro. Sorry, Jacob, I'm stealing your blue right now. These are freaking sick. We're gonna snipe him. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that will conclude my playthrough. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. That is another addition onto my White Knuckle series. I hope you guys enjoyed the nest. I'm thoroughly surprised. One, new freaking level comes soon. Number two, that just whole level was amazing. You got the shoot for the Vine case. I just can't wait to see what's gonna be added. It's gonna be so freaking dope. Plus this cosmetic, no, actually, like, I'm not even kidding you. This might be one of the greatest, like, cosmetic items of all time. This is just the coolest thing of all time. All right, now I'll let you go ahead. Copy the settings. I already know. I got the best one out there. I already know. And then you can just like make it whatever color you want. Oh, like the red was the red was crazy. The red is freaking nuts. See, but then I see the red's cool, but then you can't tell when you can't tell. Oh, maybe it gets like darker as like your stamina goes out. Yeah, I think that's what that is. The red's kind of cool. I might rock the red. I don't know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed that episode. That went by pretty fast. And I just want to take a second to thank you guys for all the support on the Ultra Kill video. Now, to be honest with you guys, I didn't think that video was gonna do that well. I know there's a huge fan base behind Ultra Kill, but for stepping so far out of like my nest like that, it's just I'm so thankful for. I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed that because I really do want to play more of that game. So you guys will be seeing more Ultra Kill. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll probably be playing Ultra Kill. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Yeah, turn on some tunes, bro. All right. Okay. Car coming, Jacob. Watch out, Jacob. Car coming. Watch out, Jacob. Yo! My car's gonna explode. Howdy, fellas. Jacob, stop! Howdy, fellas. Do you remember the last time on this channel I played a game called Fears to Fathom? Some of your answers may have been yes, some of your answers may have been no. Now, what's unique about today's experience is that we're not only just playing Fears to Fathom, we're playing Fears to Fathom co-op. Who am I gonna be joined by today?
Hey Jenny, run that beat.
Yeah, we in the game playing Scratch Creek. I'm ready to play anytime to geek. Looking around, I better sneak. Gonna be so scary and it might make me shriek.
Oh shoot! Can you hear me?
Awkward. I'm ready.
Let's press.
Wait. I wanted to say it. Let's press that new game button.
You just like took.
Topic.
Oh!
I want to be the girl.
I'm gonna be.
Yes!
I'm gonna be Marcus Reed. What's up, Marcus Reed?
Hold on. Let me get into character.
Like to drink already up.
Still loading for the other survivor. Jacob. Fears to Fathom, episode 1. Wait, Fears to Fathom together, episode 1.
Scratch Creek.
When you gotta scratch your crack. April 14th. To whoever's reading this, pardon my writing ability. Seems good so far, bro. You're good, bro. Okay, you could continue writing. Okay. My girlfriend Tess recently played your game. We couldn't Oh! This is the email they got sent! We couldn't help but notice the chilling similarities between one of the episodes and what happened to us. She persuaded me to write to you from my perspective as well, as it would increase the chances of the dev noticing the story. Okay, WCTR in his message, bruv. Top lad. I'll try to keep the information about our personal lives to a minimum. Back in our early days when we were living together, I had a job offer, which I initially thought I'd have to turn down since it required me to move to another state. But Tess was adamant that I accept the offer, knowing how hard I had worked for it. She was ready to move out with me. Hey man, good couple, man. We did not have much furniture, which meant it was a one-way drive with the trailer. Oh, let me guess we're doing this one way. Oh my gosh. Jacob, where are you at Tess? Man, did my girlfriend vanish? Okay. Nah, nice freaking day, man. Let's go wash this stinking car. Ooh, a little spray right there. A little spray on the right side, a little spray on the front side. Left side, actually. That's the right side. Who opened that door? This car freaking clean, bro.
Jenny. Hey Jenny, you cleaning the car?
Babe, I'm clean. I'm Jacob. Or no, Jacob.
Music right now.
Jacob, I don't know. We gotta get like majorly in character. You ready?
Where's the email button? All right, wait. What are we supposed to do right now, though?
I'm washing I'm washing the car, babe.
Bro, I'm not about to do the girl voice for this whole video, bro.
That's fine. Okay, wait. All right, babe. I'm done washing the car. Oh my gosh! I dented the hood, bro.
Yeah.
Oh,
wait.
Car's done. Finally looks like it's not from 03.
Jacob, stop!
You ready to start loading?
Yeah.
Oh! Let's knock out the heavy stuff first. Couch, TV, big boxes in the hall so we can balance the weight in the trailer. We'll toss in the lighter stuff last.
Okay.
We were supposed to leave this morning.
Oh, yikes.
I know. Washing the car took longer than I thought. We'll make up time on the road.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Hey!
Okay, Jacob, Jacob, stand up. Your back is in
mechanics,
shambles,
bro.
Jacob.
W mechanics.
Your
No,
lower
bro, my
vertebrae
back's
is in
good. My back's
shambles.
good. Minor scoliosis, bro. Just chill. Next, what the frick do you
no,
want?
You're
actually doing it.
Get the frick out of here, bro.
Had to happen sometime, bro.
I thought you two were supposed to leave this morning, though.
Okay. Pick it up.
I know we were supposed to leave this morning, but things got ahead of us. Jacob, chill out. All right, I'm going first. I'm going first.
Okay. Yeah, you got
Let
that.
me do it. Bag it up.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a sip of my latte.
Oh my gosh, I gotta move the Sam sang because Sam sang a song. Dude, I can't like the scary ambience, bro. Nothing about this is scary. How do I choose a dialogue option? Oh, that's how. What the frick? There's so much going on, bro. Fears to fathom, frickin' fears to choices, bro. Hold on, Jacob. Packing took long.
Yeah, packing took longer than expected. You know
Jacob,
how
move!
mornings go.
Fair enough. How much more you got?
Almost
Everything.
Done. Just started the loading.
You guys good? Excited?
Yeah, we're good.
We're good, bro.
What else we gotta get? Yo! Bro, babe,
Yeah.
he's coming towards me, babe.
Yo, mate, move now. Move now.
Yo!
Oh my gosh, he's got like granny posture.
Oh!
Jacob, move.
Had to happen sometime, bro.
Jacob, I'm getting like the last of everything.
Well, honey, I'm leaving.
Jacob, no! Jacob! Alright. Man, what a short relationship that was. Lasted so little. Look at this package job, bro. You'll never see anything like this in your life ever again. He's actually gone. Oh. Yeah, pack this flashlight. I know I'm gonna need this, bro. Fears to fathom. Make sure you have the fears to flashlight. Jacob! Jacob, no! Jacob! Alright, we gotta finish packing now.
Wait, is that the last thing? Oh,
No, like check the backyard. Pretty sure they said there was something in the backyard.
I've got the goods.
Is there something in the backyard? Wait, are we taking like the grill? What the frick are we taking back here? Get up! We have a nice house. I can't, bro. The scary ambience is throwing me off. Like, me and Jacob are having just a blast. Get up, bro. Me and Jacob are having a blast. This game's like trying to scare the crap out of me. Jacob, you alright?
Yeah, but we have a problem.
What?
Okay, I did it.
Okay.
It said I should put this in the trunk instead.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm assuming we gotta attach it to the hitch.
Wait, what?
We gotta attach it to the hitch of the car. I'll situate.
Okay. I'll drive. Oh, okay.
You think
you
can
want
do
me to
this?
drive?
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. I got it. All right. I got it. Okay, just tell me if I need to like back up or anything.
Okay. All right, Jacob, move forward. Come back. All right, you move a little bit too far forward. Just a little bit back. Just a little bit back. A little bit back. A little bit more. A little bit back. Hi. A little bit back. A little bit back. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Oh, frick.
A little bit back, a little bit back, a little bit more. Jacob, you're completely off center. You have fricked it up once again. Forward to the left, then come back. Forward to the left, then come back. Oh, no. Straight back. Bang. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Wait, we missed loading some of our stuff at first, it said. Did we miss stuff?
Dude, you're so freaking slow, bro. Why'd I marry such a weak man? Weak man, bro. I'm just gonna get picked up and thrown to the next state.
Dude, Jacob, you got some stretchy money. I just teleport on top of the car, bro. Let's go, bro.
We're good. Okay. Watch, someone's gonna comment like you only had to take 3 things.
What the frick? No, it's like, bro, it like arranged itself. What the frick?
Oh my god.
All right, Jacob, let's.
Okay, I'll drive.
You want to drive? Okay. Thanks, Jacob. I've been getting tired of driving recently. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Why won't the car turn on? Oh, here we go. All right, where are we going?
That's a good question. All right, let me check my phone.
For legal reasons, I did not indulge in texting and driving. Hold on. Yeah, you check the phone. Check the phone.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I gotta like. Hold on. Navgo. No route selected. Dad. Hold on,
Check
Ray.
what Dad said. Where
He said,
are we supposed
your
to go?
your tire pressure trailer adds more strain than you think. Already did, even topped off the washer fluid. Tessa says hi, by the way. Tell her I said hi back. What time are you leaving later this evening? Don't leave too late. Where to go?
Do you have any messages with Ellie?
No, I don't know Ellie.
I'll be right back.
Jacob, you texted me.
Where you at, boo? Will you be home late today? Sorry, boo. I made you pie.
Tell me I destroyed that thing.
Wrapping up and zooming to you, my lady.
Beef jerky.
Get some more of that, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh.
Is Marcus? Who the frick is Marcus?
Jacob, I'm Marcus, I think.
Oh, okay, hold on. I'll be right back.
Y'all think this will get him? What is it? Let's see if it goes through. Come in the. Oh! Yo, no. Nah. I'm going beast mode, bro. What did she say? Oh. You little fart, bro. You little troll, bro. Dude, that was so freaking funny, bro.
Where do we go, bro?
Hold on. I need to text Dad. Where are we going?
Where do we go?
I don't know, bro. Navgo,
Hold
no
on, I
route
gotta
selected.
get out of the car.
Wait, maybe. It got like cow clicker. Wait, are you able to go to Navgo or just me? That dang def's big, ain't it? My car?
I feel like, did we like not do something we were supposed to? What if we just take a drive around Old Block? What was that? Hold on, I got a message.
Alright, bro. Jacob, just start driving, bro. Just start freaking driving, bro.
You want me to turn on some tunes?
Yeah, turn on some tunes, bro.
Alright.
Okay, what the frick is going on, bro?
You ever seen a girl drift? Bet you haven't. Get the frick out of my way!
Didn't Trixie drift in Speed Racer?
Okay, Max, I'm like actually gonna abide by the laws, bro.
Oh shoot, we're going. Oh. Let's freaking go, bro. 7,000 p.m. Jacob. Eyes on the road, Jacob. Eyes on the road.
A long day. I'm dozing off.
Wait, I'm coming. Hold on, Jacob. Voice lines. Let's shush up. We got voice lines.
Oh my God. It'll be about 4 hours with carrying traffic still.
I'm okay.
Oh, is that it?
I'm actually into my character, bro.
Hold on. I'm gonna give you. Hold on. I'm gonna give you motivation.
Warning, prepare to meet God?
Whoa!
What the frick is that sign?
Sure, focus.
Bro, Max, I can't read messages while I'm driving. You know this, babe.
Wait, that's Dashie! That's Dashie!
Wait!
Listening to Z103, and I am not playing with y'all right now. We got a situation. National Weather Service, yo, shout out to the weather people, real ones, saying we got winds north of Portland.
Oh, Dashie.
No.
What'd Dad say? Keep me updated, Marcus. Road.
Wide open. Go home. Hit the U-turn.
What is Dashie talking about?
New place has a decent kitchen apparently. The guy said it was recently.
Jacob, gotta listen to the voice line.
Sorry.
Yeah, figured you'd like having more counter space.
Yeah, it looked nice.
I thought we could use the second bedroom to make an office.
Ooh.
You know, like a real one. We'll set up your desk under the window so you can catch the morning light. I know it helps you when you're writing.
Sure.
Ooh. I'm getting all flirty with you, Jacob.
Also,
Hold on.
I was looking at PCs.
Ooh! Gamer boy. We all love gamer
Jacob.
boys.
Jacob.
Yeah, nothing
What?
crazy.
You missed your exit.
Good enough for both of us.
No, I didn't.
Maybe some.
Check Navgo.
When were you looking at PCs?
I actually.
Oh, yeah,
I
no.
can't. I can't use my phone while driving.
Jacob, turn around. Jacob, turn around. Uh-oh. Jacob was gonna turn around. Okay, we're back here.
Oh, wait, do we have to like lock back in? Where's that?
Okay, all right,
Where is it?
Jacob, take exit 5 north in half a mile. Exit 5 north.
Half a mile?
Half a mile.
Right here?
0.4
On my
miles.
left or on my right? On my left or on my right?
Jacob, only on your right you take an exit, Jacob. What the frick? What?
Oh,
Jacob! This
Right
exit
here.
now!
Here it is.
Okay, stay on this for 40 miles. Stay on this for 40 miles. Get around this freaking slowpoke. Freaking grandpa, speed the frick up. Press on that gas pedal, bro.
Yeah, press on that gas pedal, bro.
Hold on, I'm gonna conversate with you.
Let me show you know what? Now that he's behind me.
The place has a decent kitchen apparently.
Oh, wait, we already like had this conversation.
Sure.
Heavy traffic on 5 north.
Max, what's the nav saying?
It says heavy traffic ahead. Interstate congested. Blow your nose.
All right, so I'm chilling.
Wait, reroute. Oh, I'm rerouting. Where's Navgo? Say go. Hi, Navgo. Okay. Take exit, Cascade. Take exit. Back up,
Max,
Jacob.
You fricked it up.
No.
You fricked it up. You fricked it up.
Yeah, go that exit. Yeah, Jacob. Oh my gosh, perfect execution. Perfect execution.
Frick me, bro. Frick.
Are we stuck?
Jacob! Frick am I stuck? Max, you freaking didn't re-navigate us! I'm getting a divorce. We're stuck.
Jacob, we're not even married.
Let me just back up here and we'll reassess the situation. Bear with me.
Nice, good turn radius.
I've learned this watching
perfect,
anime.
Jacob. Let's go. Good stuff, bruv. Good stuff.
Let's go.
Okay. Stay on Cascade Highway for 22 miles.
Oh my god, I got this freaking grandpa in front of us again.
It's the same gosh darn grandpa. Get the frick out of the way, little bro. Oh. 8,000 p.m.
LOL.
Alright, Jacob. Okay. Alright. 2.7. Jacob, wake up! Jacob, wake up. We can't do that, bro.
Why the frick is the moon purple? Am I dreaming?
Jacob, focus on the road. Focus on the road.
My bad.
We gotta stay on Old Cascade Highway for 2.3 miles now. Hold on. What's the update? Your uncle owes me $40, by the way.
Yeah, I see.
Wait, what was I talking about?
I said it's getting windy out.
Up for miles.
Yeah, that's why we cut through.
Yeah.
And there's not a single car on the road.
One kinda just passed.
Getting too far.
Ironbark State Park.
Ironbark Lookout.
One of the other games.
Yeah, Ironbark Lookout. What the frick, bro? Okay, wait.
Yo,
Hold on.
Max,
Jacob.
you wanna see a trick I learned? Look at me.
Yeah.
Marcus!
Oh, frick. Jacob, what?
The frick? Close the frickin' door! Close the frickin' door!
Jacob, oh, you forgot to close the back door!
I'm okay.
It's okay.
Right.
Okay, a little breeze.
What do we do?
Crap. Hold on.
We move it.
Move it?
Alright, let's move it.
It's
Hey,
not
we're
that
the
big.
movers. Let's do it.
Between the two of us, we can shift it enough to get through.
Okay.
Genius play, Marcus. Genius.
Let's go. Let's freaking go.
Come on, Marcus.
Oh, Pennywise? Bro, this is an insane move. Max,
I know. Did they really do this? No, you
Max,
got it.
Get the other side.
You got it. Wait. Okay, wait. All right. Where?
This way.
Okay. Hold on. Keep going. Good. Dang, we just lifted a whole freaking tree. That thing had to be dead. Stay in that gosh darn house.
Whose house is this? Hold on. Let's go say hi.
No, Jacob, Jacob, get in the car now.
Oh.
Jacob.
Oh.
Oh my God,
Max,
Jacob,
we
the
didn't-
whole thing is
oh my
open. All of our
God,
luggage is
bruh.
falling out, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
All right. Get back in. There you go. Good stuff,
Very
Jacob.
good.
All right. Navgo says stay on this highway for 1.1 trillion miles. That's a lot. Oh, 1.2.
1 trillion miles? Alright, low-key, I own this road, bro. So, why are you looking at me like that?
What? Sorry. Wonder where that train is going. Probably somewhere.
Oh man, this bridge is so train.
Car coming,
Man,
Jacob. Watch
this
out.
is
Jacob, car
awesome.
coming. Watch out. Jacob.
What's up, honey?
Jacob, got text
Wait, I gotta
IRL.
text
Wait.
IRL.
Hold on. Stay on the highway for 0.3 miles. Turn right on Rosenberg
Alright.
Road and point. No. Right up here. Take a right. Rosenberg Road. Jacob.
Oh my
Are we going the right way? Oh wait, yeah we are.
Yeah, you said right.
What is gas?
Uh-oh.
What is
Need
that?
gas?
A light on the dash came on.
What?
Uh-oh. Jacob, what'd you do to the frickin' car?
Kissed it. I could feel the car struggle on the hill. Frick,
Oh my gosh, Jacob,
Flynn
you
going
blew.
camping.
Jacob, you blew the flux carburetor.
Oh shoot!
Get out,
Danny
bro!
Marcus Jr. the third.
Get on! Go around, bro.
Just go around me, dude.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Get on. Take
Frick,
a
who's out in
walk.
front of us? Frick.
Bro, Jacob, our car's gonna explode. Jacob, you caused a 3-car pileup.
Hold on, I'm getting around. Just give me a second. Give me a second.
Says go slow.
Oh yeah.
Okay, alright. There's interesting shit. I'm in the back seat now. Jacob, I'm like in.
No, hold on.
Little man coming through, and there we go. Okay, there we go. Alright,
Oh my
nice.
God,
Good job,
hotel?
Jacob. Good job,
Oh,
skill.
Perfect. We needed a hotel.
Alright, Navgo, stay on this road. Oh, frick off then, bro.
What was the deal with that guy?
Alright, Jacob, stay on this road and let's keep going.
The light.
No, I'm good.
What do we do?
It could just be the hill. The engine gets hot.
So it'll.
Car's
go
about to
away?
like blow up.
Maybe once we're over the top, the engine levels out.
I gotta get to work.
That dude's like 1946 Toyota was doing just fine. 8,500 PM. It didn't go away. Oh, they're talking about the light. It didn't go away. She drove for a few more minutes before we accepted the car wasn't gonna fix itself. Bold assumption, but good, fair assumption. I found the only shop in the area on GPS. Let's get this sucker up and running, man.
Okay, now it's like actually GG's.
Jacob, get back on the road.
I had to literally give the bug GG's, bro.
Is this the shop that we're coming up on right here?
Oh my
I think
god.
turn into this place. Turn into this place.
It's freaking old.
Turn into the place!
Is that what it says?
I don't know.
Where are you going?
I'm backing up so I can turn in, bro.
Backing up all the way to freaking Antarctica, bro.
Alright, should we go in?
Yeah.
Let's see, they're open, they're open.
Let's see, well, hold on, my dad's saying something, You're a failure, son. Okay. Your mother's asking where you two are. The car overheated, not sure what to do, found a service station, getting the car fixed. Yep. At this point, my thinking are all car troubles, classic horror. Except nothing could prepare us what came next. I gotta poo. KK babes. Don't trust luck, trust Buck. Hey man, I'm with it, bro.
Hi, what can I do for you, sir?
Oh,
welcome to our shop.
Thank you so much. My car's gonna explode. Can you help me?
You want a pack of cigarettes? How many?
Wait. I gotta talk to you. Jacob, stop. I gotta talk to you.
Hello? Hello?
Anybody in here?
There's no one here.
Hello?
Anybody here? Ooh, the sign says open. Someone's gotta be around.
Dude's using like a chainsaw back there. Jacob, no one's in there.
Okay.
Jacob, I'm gonna do something that's gonna get me killed. I'm gonna walk back here. Yo! My car's gonna explode! Jacob? Jacob, something happened. Jacob, I got jump scared back here, Jacob. You wanna come see him?
By who?
How are you like using the force on this bottle right now? You're just,
Wait, by who?
A man, bro, did you not see the text? I said young man. Jacob, come on. There's a dude like right here.
A light?
Random man, bro. Top lad, top bloke. Yes.
How'd he do? I'm afraid the pumps are all dry tonight.
Jacob, stop!
Expecting a tanker in the morning, though.
Oh.
We're not here for gas. Our car needs fixing.
Look, we were driving, and a red light came on the car dash about 20 minutes back. We were hoping someone here could take a look.
Jacob's like doing parkour in the lobby.
Maybe. I honestly couldn't tell you.
You folks ain't from around here, huh?
Bro! Headed north, man. You don't need to know anything more.
North, new job. Why'd you ask?
No reason.
This guy's weird, bro. Jacob, you wanna kill him?
Yeah?
Okay.
Well, nothing. Scratch Creek's a long way from anywhere you could have been headed.
What?
Alrighty. I'll come take a look at that car for you.
Alright, Jacob, here's what we're gonna do. Hold on. Jacob, here's what we're gonna do.
Come here.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do, Jacob. If he tries something, anything stupid, I'm gonna pin him down, you're gonna force feed him whatever that liquid is. Probably like wiper fluid.
Is he holding a knife?
My name's Harold.
Is he?
Harold Sweeney.
My name's Harold Sweeney.
Harold, I got something for you, Harry.
Marcus, this is my girlfriend, Tessa. Yeah.
Trust me, Harry, you don't want to go in there. Oh, yo, wait, he's like going over there. Yo, Jacob.
Didn't mean to scare you back there. I was just doing some scraping work.
It's all good.
Bro, he's like trying to get through. What is he doing? Bro, Jacob, you imbecile. He's walking on the whole mess. What is this dude doing?
Hold on.
What's he doing?
Actually paying for us? He's actually paying for us.
What the frick is this guy doing? He doesn't even know where he's going.
Bro, he's got a freaking pizza cutter, bro.
Dude, Jacob, that's like a grind saw.
What the frick?
Jacob, get down.
Get down. I can't. I bounced on his head.
Ew, gross. Okay, let's see what happened.
Alright. Alrighty. Let's see what's going on here.
Imagine you get a dude to fix your crate and start jumping all over.
Nobody's done
So,
that.
tell me, how two people different as you get
What's
together?
wrong with this guy? Mans can't mix the pot. Hold on. What the frick
We
do
met
you
in
mean?
high school,
I used to
fricking
do
loser.
videos for the school's media club.
Yeah.
And
Jeez.
he did open mics.
Yeah, and she filmed one of my songs, and it kind of started from there.
Yeah.
That's not what I meant.
What the frick is this guy on, bro?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna split you in half.
Come on, let me do this parkour course.
Forget about it.
Wow, bro. Jacob, do you want to start? Do you want to do that pin down and feed him technique?
What?
No. Did you not? Or I was gonna say I was gonna pin him down. You're gonna like feed him
I think I
whatever
found the
liquid you're
problem.
holding.
Oh,
But just a second.
What? This dude's just like scouting my car out. He's not looking nothing.
That's what I figured.
Jacob, stop.
my bad.
I think I can help you out.
Oh yeah?
Thank
Shake
you.
hand. What's wrong with the car?
Thank you so much. So, what is it?
Yeah. Looks like a coolant leak. You can see it puddling up under the car. I could see
You
it
see?
dripping from the radiator hose.
I don't see nothing,
Yeah.
bro.
Plant may
Yeah.
have gone bad, but could be the hose itself.
Yeah.
Have you noticed anything before it died on you?
It starts struggling
Yeah,
on the
started-
hill.
started
I
struggling.
think it started
Who the frick
struggling
is
on the
that?
hill.
Whose man's
Who
in
the frick
there?
is
The
that?
engine got really hot all of a sudden.
Yep, that lines up. Alrighty.
Who is this, bro? He's walking in?
Chef Barnacle.
Get on up here.
Oh!
Yes, boss. Y'all stay right here.
Ew! Jacob, you wanna go? Do you wanna go?
No. I've actually been waiting to do this parkour course.
Okay.
I can never make
Talking
that
about
second
some
jump.
y'all are different, bro.
I can never make that second jump.
What an idiot. Dude, Jacob, I can like
Wait a
hear
minute.
your space bar, bro.
Wait, let me see if I can complete this.
I'm gonna see what they're doing. What are you guys doing back here? Oh! Dude, he's walking like he's a serial killer. Oh, don't
Babe,
mind.
he's
You don't have
looking
to
at
sit
me
there,
weird,
dude. I got
babe.
the door for you.
Babe, he was looking at me funny. He was looking at me funny.
So, I took another look.
No, you didn't. You were back there.
We can't fix the car.
Oh. You said you could help.
Dude,
This guy want me bad.
Yeah, the engine's
Jacob.
in worse shape than I thought. It looks like the head gasket is about to go out. The whole thing's kinda messed up.
You said. So, what are we gonna do?
what are we going to do in the middle of nowhere?
It'll be alright, folks. Buck is gonna call his old pal Bill. He used to be a mechanic here, but retired a few years back.
This Bill Bite.
Fella still does some work at his house.
This Bill guy must be a magician. Why can't you fix it?
Come on, man. Can't you try and fix it here?
Listen here. Man's told you, we can't help.
Who are you,
There,
you
he'll
old
do
fart?
a little patch job on the engine. That'll get you as far as Bill's house.
The frick is Billard?
Try to get back on the highway. You're looking at a catastrophic engine failure.
I don't know what this dude's on, but he's on something. You listen,
There.
wait.
Now,
Gotcha.
Was
boss.
this like your master, bro? You said boss? Did he say boss?
He's gonna call me cute. He's gonna call me cute. Hey, sir, can I buy some of your cat food?
Jacob, hide those bottles. You think you're stealing.
No. Low key, why don't I show him what I'm made of? Come here. Yep. Okay. I guess I'm not gonna do that.
He's giving us a little patch. Yeah. Go ahead.
Max,
Go over to that car.
What color is that bottle he's holding?
Let's cook me, please, Blue.
Yes, sir. Alright,
Go
fix
ahead,
it, bro.
and patch, go ahead and patch that car up,
Fix
little boy.
it, fix
Go,
it, bro.
go and patch that car up, little boy. You're in my world. Did he fix it up?
Wait. So, did he give it a fix? Are we good
I
now?
think
looks like Harry
Oh.
done.
All right, thanks, old
Take a
man.
left out the lot, head down the road.
Oh, first right.
Okay.
First right. Gosh, bro. I'll turn you into a memory in Scratch Creek or wherever we're at, bro.
We'll make it to Bill's house.
Said
Did
I
he say
said
go
down.
left right here?
No, down and then to your first right.
But didn't he say take a left and then down your first right?
Yeah. I think he did say that.
Alright, let's go. Can't miss house.
Can't
Why
miss
is that
Bill's
police car
house.
destroyed and in ruin?
You think Bill destroys cars for fun?
What?
Jacob?
That's weird.
I don't see Bill's house. Jacob,
That's weird.
is this the right place?
Yeah, this is Bill's house. I've been here before. You haven't been here?
No.
I told you I freaking knew. Listen to the music change.
Mosquitoes up there. Watch out. Don't get bite.
You literally can't miss it, bro. You said you can't miss it.
Yeah, you can't
What did
miss it.
Dad say?
Yeah. All I'm seeing is a big house right now.
Hold on. Okay, Dad texted me, bro. Can't read it.
My dad texted me. He said, "Glad you're not doing this alone." My dad knows you're a W girlfriend, man. W partner.
Yeah, we're just making the trek. Oh, little
light. No, it's a street light.
All right. Let's see what's going on in this funky house. Oh, give me a smooch before we go in. All right.
Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill.
Max.
Yikes. That's not good at all. Jacob, we should probably leave. He's like, come up with a shotgun and bro. Jacob, you just like knock a million.
I told you people I ain't interested.
Uh-oh.
Another word of your nonsense.
Oh! Who the frick is this?
The Morning Star sees the lies you spread, and his wrath will find you in the end.
She's just talking about
I
stuff.
will be the instrument of his wrath myself if you don't get off my porch.
Jacob's still talking to her.
I think you got the wrong idea.
You're not from the new temple.
New temple?
No.
The guy from the gas station sent us here to talk to one of his friends.
Well then, what do you want?
Okay.
We're looking for Bill.
Well, yeah, we are looking for Bill.
We were told to look for a mechanic named Bill.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
We're having some trouble with our car.
Genius response. Genius.
Billy boy! Someone's needing you at the door.
Watch him be like this, like 8-foot dude.
Billy boy!
He's gonna be like behind us.
Dude, Oh. Thanks, Bill.
Slender Man.
Oh, must be the ones Buck warned me about.
Warned?
Yeah, he called. Said some folks were stranded and heading my way.
You got the sassy walk. He's moving the hips like cray-cray. That'd be us. Sorry to bother you this late, sir.
Sorry to bother you this late. The man at the station told us it was probably a coolant leak.
Well, I gotta turn my fan
backed out and wouldn't fix it. Could you please take a look, sir?
What is it? From back here? Jacob just tried to walk in the house. From back here.
Scope.
Thing ain't made to haul a trailer. Engine's hot as hell.
That's what I was thinking.
If you're lucky, you've got a coolant leak. If you ain't, it's a blown head gasket and your oil's turning into soup.
Congratulations.
No! Nothing we can fix tonight.
Shoot, man. Well, you didn't even take a look.
At least giving it a look.
I've been fixing engines longer than y'all been alive. I know what I'm looking at.
From back here?
I can take a look in the morning.
So what do we do?
What are we gonna do till morning?
Sleep in the car. Running a motel here.
Sleep in the car?
Yeah, you're welcome to sleep in your car out here if you want.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, hush, Bill. They ain't sleeping in no car.
W-wife.
The high power wouldn't have sent you here if we weren't meant to take care of you.
Oh, okay.
You're right where you ought to be. Right when you ought to
we can sleep in the car.
Miss Julia's got
that car, my car, mad comfy.
breakfast. She'll take you in.
Oh, Miss Julia.
Is it like walking distance?
Actually, I'm not sure if this car should even move anymore. Your
Yeah.
friend Buck told us it'd be a catastrophic engine failure.
You won't be needing your car to get there.
Take this little trail behind the house.
Bro, side quest after
Lines up
side
ahead
quest.
And lead straight to her parsonage. We'll let her know of your arrival. She'll be waiting with a warm room.
Bro, I'm good, bro.
Alright. Keep to the trail. No exceptions. You hear me? Don't step off it. Not even once. You won't like what happens if you do.
Oh, Bill, stop scaring them.
It's like living in the Appalachian Mountains.
You'll be fine if you just follow the path. Miss Julia's had folks walk it plenty of times.
Plenty reference.
It's a straight shot. You'll know it when you reach there.
Why don't you lend Miss Julia's guests a flashlight for the night? No sense sending them up in the
This
dark.
lady's creepy as a fart.
I hate you.
Fine.
Jacob, chill. Jacob, chill. Dude, he does have a sassy walk, bro. He's gonna kill us. Yeah, no, Jacob, we're gonna walk at nighttime on the trail
Oh,
behind
didn't he
this
say he's
ramp.
getting some for us?
A flashlight? Like I want to freaking walk this trail.
Here.
Dubs.
Battery's good.
Dang,
Don't
Gramps.
drop it.
Dang, Gramps.
I'll take. Okay.
All right, that's enough for tonight.
Max, you gotta
Trail's
see
back
this.
there. Goes
Bro,
right
Jacob,
up the
come
hill.
on.
Don't waste time.
All right.
Okay. All right, yeah. We're just, because this is just the best place to do this.
Listen our program. You folks better.
Oh, they're missing their program. All right, let's go. Is it this place?
No way. He's like, he's like telling us folklore.
What else are we?
Marcus, look at this place. Look at all of this.
The car.
It's just a trail that leads to a bed and breakfast.
That we've never heard of in a town we've never heard of.
That's what I'm saying.
And what's the alternative, huh? Sleep in the car?
YES.
Maybe. Yeah. Maybe that's better.
Share the back seat.
Listen, that lady said...
I don't know that lady. I don't know Bill. I don't know that Harry.
Bro.
I don't know any of these people.
They're
And
actually just making us do boo-foo,
These
bro.
people are you're seriously fine with this? Two strangers we just met.
Marcus,
pointing us
we
down
might have a
dark
skill
trail,
issue
and
here,
you're
Marcus.
Dude, am I just gonna be carrying
fine.
bottles the rest of the time, bro?
Probably.
I just don't see another option right now.
The car!
Another option. You just never
What?
look for one.
I got it, bro.
And
Come on.
What is that supposed to mean?
It means
Look at how much I can
you
carry.
just decide and expect everyone to follow. That's what you do.
You go first.
Everyone? Is this about last night again?
What happened
You've
last
been
night?
carrying this all day.
What happened last night?
You told Jake and everyone at the table about the new place, the job, the apartment, your
Oh,
studio,
we're having some couple problems.
all of it. It was always I got this job.
I'm making you feel
I
unheard.
found this place. I'm moving to Washington.
Tessa.
You talked about it like I wasn't even there. Like this was something you were doing, and I just happened to be coming along.
Babe, I understand. I'm sorry. Oh.
I just... I don't know. I don't want to feel like I'm along for the ride.
I
I
understand.
didn't
I'm sorry.
realize that it was such a big deal. I thought everyone was laughing, and so were you. Listen, you're not along for the ride.
And stop making decisions like I am.
I hear you, okay? I hear you. But right
Bro,
now,
we're like arguing in
right
these
now,
woods that we're
we
gonna
need
get killed
to make
in.
a decision together. So I'm asking you, not telling you, what do you want to do?
Dude, it's Lucy.
No,
Get the suitcase.
that was someone screaming help.
No?
But they just said get the suitcase. We already have it.
Was there 2 suitcases I needed to get?
Oh, bro.
What does this say?
Oh, no.
Scratch Creek, bro. We're dead, bro. Wait, we got time to continue to converse.
Hey. I'm sorry about last night. I didn't think
W
about how that
apology.
sounded.
There you go, Marcus.
Wait, after last night, think I fell in love with you.
Young man going from left
Who the
to
frick
right.
was
Where-
that?
Where will he go? Bro, he's like, take this
tried-
little trail up to the house. We're like going on a whole frickin' hike, bro. Get out, bruv. 9,000 p.m. Okay. Alright, come on, Jacob. Come
Where
on.
the frick is this house, bro?
Bro, we've
My
been walking for
ankles
like
hurt.
2 straight miles, bro. I got 10K steps
No,
just on that walk
oh.
alone.
Oh!
On the other side, bro.
W established.
Don't get hit by the car, Jacob. Don't get hit by the car. Jacob.
That is fire.
Oh, he came to an immediate stop. Best banks in the world. Stay with us.
Stay with us. Clean bed, hot meals, no vacancy elsewhere.
It says do not stay with us. Jacob, can you read?
Stay with us.
Okay. Wait, there's like other people here, unless these are like all their cars. House does kind of look a little nice.
They do look a little nice, I can't lie. Imagine
Marcus-
just like in the morning, like breakfast made by the owners, just like sitting on the dock.
After a
like,
long hike,
catching some air, bro.
I could have just taken a leak in the woods. Move Max. What'd the Move Max say?
Bed and breakfast.
Your trailer rental's due for return tomorrow 10 a.m. Nope.
All right.
Hello? Jacob, chill out. They hear you, Jacob.
Was expecting you to. Charlotte called ahead. Such a sweet woman, isn't she?
Yes.
You poor
Yes.
things. Car giving you trouble on a night like this? Come in, come in. You must be exhausted. Mercy me. I've just been getting your room right now. Are you
Where the
too
traps
hungry?
at? Where the traps at?
You look like you haven't eaten.
I gotta take a
No, we're
whizzy.
Okay, actually. Thank you.
How are you crouching?
I'm Miss
I'm looking for
Julia,
traps,
by the
Jacob.
way. I don't think Charlotte mentioned.
Marcus, this is Tessa.
Tessa, what a lovely name. You're
Thank you.
going to feel right at home here, my dear.
This is kind of homey, can't lie.
Jacob, this lady's gonna like kill us and turn us into soup. On some Resident Evil stuff.
How
much for a room?
do we owe you for the room?
Depends on how long you'll be staying.
One night.
One night.
One night.
Your friend Bill said he can fix the car in the morning.
For the night, it's $95. Breakfast included, of course. But don't
That's
you
pretty
worry
decent.
about that now, sweetheart. We'll square away payment in the morning.
Okay.
All right.
Do you
alone?
run this place by yourself?
Oh, heavens, no. Could you imagine me here all alone?
What's
I've
this
got
here?
a few hired hands. Folks from the church also check in.
Church volunteers? Okay.
Okay.
Respect it. Where's she
That's
taking
This
us?
house is beautiful. You must be a busy landlady.
Oh, bless your heart. She is marvelous, isn't she? Old homes like this care for you if you care for them. And please, I'm an innkeeper here. Landlady is just so crude.
Innkeeper.
I mean, yeah. All right.
It's like
This used to be a parsonage for the pastor and his family, who preached at the old Scratch Temple behind the house.
Where is she
After
going?
they moved out, the congregation decided to turn it into a bed and breakfast
Oh,
to help
Jake-
the church coffers. Chose me to run it. Keeps a roof over my head and helps the old temple at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Could we get to our room, please?
She has like no idea where
We're
she's
both
walking.
really tired.
Oh, of course you are. Must have been a long night. I forget myself sometimes, but
Yeah.
I do love to chat.
Yeah.
You're just the Joker.
Okay, now, have a seat, sweetheart. Make yourself comfortable.
This
I'll
isn't
go
our room.
check on your room and be right back.
All right.
Dude, she's setting up one of those
Excuse
traps
me.
from Fortnite.
Is there a restroom I could use?
Yeah, it's in the back, by the kitchen.
I appreciate it.
All right, you gotta go use that.
Hold on, I'm checking for traps. She could like hide anything in here, bro.
I literally can't even go. I'll sit down.
Dude, I'm like all by my... Okay. Close. Oh, okay. Let's drain the lizard. Dude, 100% accuracy. Look at that. Oh! Hel- I was like someone had taken the... What the frick was that? When your boy encounters some still lifes? Who are these people? Jacob?
Max?
What the frick was that?
Who was the guy that just came from where you came from?
I don't know. I came out of the bathroom after taking a little wizzy, and two dudes were standing in the kitchen. Then they just walked away.
Bro, Max, there was a dude that came up to me, bro, and he was like, tell that crazy old lady I'm leaving. I want nothing to do with whatever y'all are doing. And then I think he thought I like worked here.
As you're holding a
Hold on, Dad
suitcase?
sent me a text. Hold on.
What do you say?
Marcus getting things taken care of. We are getting things taken care of.
Oh.
Dude, oh my god. Max.
I'm scared of this lady, bro.
Sorry to keep you waiting, my dears. Your room's all ready now.
My dears?
And I think you're going to love it.
Yeah.
I went ahead and put you in our majestic suite.
Oh.
But before I take you up, I'd love to show you the parsonage. The grand tour, if you will.
No!
It will give you a deeper respect for this majestic house.
Oh,
I'm tired.
Okay.
Dude. I have so many cows on Cow Clicker.
Jacob, why don't we just go up to the stinking room? I don't want to view this freaking house. Get out! I can't, bro. We can't go up.
Oh my god.
Ridiculous, man. This lady's like,
All right,
you
are
want
we
to come
going
see my
where-
whole house?
Where are we going? All right.
This is our parson study.
Oh, great.
Everything
All right.
here belonged to someone who lived, worked, or prayed under our roof.
Oh, there's a book that
Max, I
says
don't
how to
think there's anything
kill
wrong with
people
this
that
place.
stay at your house. Volume
Bro,
1
what is
and
this
2?
book?
What?
What is this book?
What?
How to shake it even if you're a granny?
Wow. How to kill people without anybody finding out volume 1, 2, and 3. What?
Hey, thank you for letting us
This
stay.
place is old, and that includes the pipes. Best not to drink from the taps. The water cooler's safe.
The water cooler?
Well then, pardon me. It's time to get you two set. This
Okay.
way.
Alright, finally. She's like, let me give you a tour of my house. Show us the kitchen and like the study room. Jacob,
It's
shut up.
staff only down there.
Staff only? So that's where that dude went earlier.
Jacob, stop. This lady's creeping me the frick out, bro. She's gonna turn me into like thick soup.
What the frick?
Yo!
That's enough of a sign to leave, bro. This is a nice room. Bro, push these beds together, bro. I get freaky. Oh.
This is our majestic suite.
What's that?
I hope it's
Okay.
to your liking. The heat's already set to a comfortable temperature, so you shouldn't feel a chill tonight. The
Thank you.
staff put in extra effort this evening to prepare for your arrival, so I
Thank
hope
you.
everything meets your expectations.
Thank you.
Oh, and if you need anything at all, press 0 on the telephone. Though
Okay.
we ask boarders to reserve late night calls for emergencies only.
Okay.
I bet.
Jacob's with it, bro. Jacob doesn't give a fart.
Okay, can you get out now?
Yeah, leave the freaking room.
Thanks.
Thank you.
This means a lot after the day we've had.
Of course, sweetheart. Well then, my dears, I'll leave you two to it.
Appreciate
Make
you, twin.
yourselves at home.
Hey, dap me up.
Jacob, there's a cemetery back here.
And let's behave ourselves tonight, all right? I didn't notice any rings, so we've made sure there are separate beds for each of you.
Yes,
Folks
we
at
will
Old
not-
Scratch Temple like to make sure people keep
We
themselves
brought coloring
pure.
books.
Yeah,
We
bro.
brought coloring books
I'm sure
and
you
puzzles.
understand.
Yeah, we understand.
Right. Of course. We'll follow the rules.
Well, good then.
Oh, sorry. Do you mind if we get the room key?
Yeah, we're just gonna trap
Oh,
us in here.
sweetie. I'm afraid a house this old doesn't have keys for each room.
What?
Just so you know, the door locks itself. What? But if you both get locked out, we'd need to come by with the skeleton key. We do charge $20 for the trip. Happens more than you think. I figured I'd mention the charge.
All right. Ask for a skeleton key?
Dude, I'm not getting trapped in the gosh darn room. Let's get that key.
Yeah.
Do we have the skeleton key?
Can we get the skeleton key then?
My word, I can't give you the skeleton key. It unlocks every door in the house.
Bro!
Not that you two would go snooping, but you can never be too careful.
I mean,
That's okay, real.
Yeah, fair,
it's fine.
fair.
Yeah, we're just crashing for a few hours.
That reminds me, before you two turn in, would one of you be so kind to step downstairs and sign the guest book?
No,
Everyone has
close the
to.
door, bro,
It's
we're
a
done.
tradition, you know. You kids don't seem like
Contract.
you would
Contract.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna make her happy. I'm
Tradition.
gonna do it. I'm just gonna. Oh. Oh. Jacob, I'm trapped. You trapped me, Jacob.
Did you close the door?
No. Jacob, you keep trapping me! Hold on, I'm gonna look. Oh, that's oh. What the frick is what are you doing? Jacob!
I was looking through the keyhole.
Okay.
All right, there's our luggage. Put it down. Dude, Max, I think I know what's gonna happen.
We're gonna wake up and we're gonna be on like a ritual table. Alright, yeah, good hiding spot, good hiding spot.
That's weird. Why is that there?
No, Jacob,
That's
I was
weird.
gonna say, there's a whole cemetery back here, bro.
Hey,
Dead
Max, go
people.
ahead and get in that closet and close the doors and tell me what you see.
Okay. Oh. Wait, they have that in every Fears to Fathom, though.
Yeah, but why would it be in this room?
Oh, that's a good question.
I think I need a bath.
Can we
I
take a
feel
bath
Come
together?
in, no pixies.
Yeah. I'll go after you.
Yeah, you go ahead. Take that bath, Jacob. Take that bath. I'll be waiting. I'll be scouting. What did Dad say? Bell sleep, son. Sorry, did you get the car running? That's gonna help me. Bill's wife set up a bed and breakfast. Gonna fix the car in the morning. We just got here. Okay. Jacob, it sounds like you're peeing in there. You peeing or you're taking a bath? That's bad, bro. Bro, we're gonna get turned into a ritualistic piece of wood. Boo. Can you ask Steve send me some? Yee. Alright, we need some towels. Miss Julia! Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Who's on the
Sorry to
phone?
bother you, ma'am. My
Yes?
girlfriend's in the bathroom,
The
and there doesn't seem to be any towels in there, so...
I see.
Oh, okay, Miss
Bobby
Julia.
must have forgotten again. That boy.
That's dude sitting
I was
right
wondering
there.
if someone could bring some up.
Oh, the staff's called it a night, I'm afraid. They've had a long night already, my dear. I'd hate to wake them for anything short of an emergency.
Right, I understand, but...
And a missing towel wouldn't qualify, I'm afraid.
What the frick do we do?
So... What should we do?
If it's something you need right now, you'll have to help yourself.
I'm fine with that.
All the laundry for the parsonage and church is kept in the basement of the temple, just out back.
The church?
Yes, if you head out through the back door to the church and go down to the basement, you'll find clean towels folded on the rack. That's where all the laundry is done.
Jake, chill!
Well then, if you'll excuse me, it's getting late.
All right.
Good night.
Jacob. Jake, can you hear me? Yeah. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna talk to you. Hold on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
I gotta go downstairs to grab towels. I'll be right back.
Don't worry about it. I'll let it dry.
It's fine, I got it. Just give me 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Am I sprinting? Bro, this is gonna be horrible. Okay. The church temple. Wait, am I even doing the right thing right now? Okay, let's see. Do I ding dong ditch? Oh, I can't do that one. Oh my gosh, freaking prank nation, bro, freaking prank nation. 3FS freaking prank. Wait, you go to the front door, the back door? What door was she talking about? I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely doing something wrong. Is it one of the doors back here? Yeah, it is it. Hold on. Gosh, bro. All the way in the church, you don't keep towels in your own home? What kind of play is that? Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna get infected by a demon, go back and kill everybody, or I'm gonna get killed, and they're gonna get infected by a demon. Y'all see the horror movie The Visit, where these kids go, like, visit their grandparents, quote-unquote? It's literally what's happening, bro. Are they playing this music live? Why am I hearing the music? It's like Fantasyland. Okay, keep the door open. Oh my gosh. Okay, where's the basement at? Yeah. I've always had a fear of basements since when I was a kid. Bro, who hasn't had a fear of basements? Somebody that comes right now? Me. Towels. Where the towels at? Clean towels. Yes. Alright, already gotten towels. Alright, let's go back up. No scares. Oh! Hey! I'll come out there and turn you into a memory. Seem more paranoid than something scary on a tangible level. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do either. Is there a way out through here? Hold on. Oh, a figure text to reset help. What the frick is Jacob talking about? Can I ask you for help? No network. Can you read this? Oh, fart, bro. What did my dad say? So I said not drive it. So, alright, guess somebody's texting me in the morning. Will do. That's how I text my dad, bro. I say will do all the time. This is so bad, bro. Is it unlocked now? Like on a random chance, I realized how to find a way out. It's this fake door. I actually got kind of chills writing this story. There's no way this happened. Underground tunnel? On some Resident Evil 7 endgame crap? Watch, I'm gonna find him sacrificing like a bunch of kids. I couldn't believe what the actual F I was seeing. Are they mining for gold?
Hello? Anybody
Marcus,
there?
Are we stupid? Are we stupid, Marcus? Why are we breathing? What am I talking about? Please tell me this, like puts me in like a shed. Unlock. Oh, fart.
What the?
Is this like a...
Anybody there?
Marcus! Stop talking! Flies. I already know what that means. Dead person. Where does this put me? Gently farted bubble bath. Okay. Someone knocked on the door and I opened it. No one was there. GB, bro. GG's, bro. It's over.
The hell were you doing down there?
What was I doing down there? Maybe fix your doors before blaming me. I was stuck getting the towels. Had to make my way out, okay?
I'll split you in half! Bro, dude up my door trying... Okay, 1 sec. I'm coming your way. That's what I said. Jacob, don't die. Dude, I love how this game like splits up the experience. Some group in my brain insisted not to tell Tessa everything. Marcus. She would have wanted us out of here immediately. Smart. Yo, get off!
Who do you think you are? Get out of my way.
Watch, they're gonna... Yeah, go downstairs, little boy. They're gonna be like, do you want to join our cult? Jacob!
Hey, twin. Wait, do I have no clothes on?
Jacob, you're naked. No, you
You're
got
supposed
clothes
to
on.
bring
You
the
got clothes
freaking
on.
towels.
I got towels,
I
bro.
do?
I got towels. You got clothes on. Yeah, yeah,
Wait, what? I got clothes on. I didn't dry off, bro. Alright, thanks, bro.
Jacob, what'd you say? You said I'm hiding in the closet, save me my prince?
Yeah, bro, you had to save me.
Alright, now
He was cussing at me saying, let me in.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, Jacob, you would not believe it. I went out to that church. I had to go underground. They locked me. Wouldn't let me back up. I had to go through these underground cave systems like dead people, like coffins. But I didn't see any dead people.
Underground cases?
No, underground cave system.
Gold! Alright, I'm going to bed.
Alright, good night.
Oh, alright, your turn for the
this
bath?
episode of Kitchen Frights, we fly over to Cincinnati, Ohio.
I'm interested, bro.
Where an old couple has noticed that customers are starting to complain about the quality of food.
That dude has a gun!
This kitchen has broken every health code in the book.
I've been Ryan!
There's a rat in this sandwich.
No,
there isn't. Man, are you not?
Why'd you turn it off?
I'm done, bro. I don't want to go, bro. We gotta like. Okay, I want to take a bath. I'm taking a bath. Figure take a bath would take the edge off. Jacob's watching 8-Bit Ryan Kitchen Nightmares. All right, let's drop the flashlight. Oh, throw it in the sink. How do I get the? Oh, Jacob, try to get a little peep.
No.
Trying to look at my little FS, bro. Chill out, bro. How do I get naked? Oh, towels.
Thank you. Let me dry off.
Boo.
A guy came up here while you were gone.
Yeah.
Who came up?
I don't know, one of the workers or something. And he just kept knocking.
Did you open the door?
Jacob,
Of course
stop!
not.
Good.
It's fucking weird, Boo. Miss Julia said that everyone was asleep.
Oh, man.
What?
I forgot to sign the guest book she asked for.
She said it's by the entrance.
Yeah, on her desk.
Okay. I'll go sign it real quick. I gotta grab some water too. I think my throat's acting up.
Oh, she's getting sick, bro. The
Catching a
nerve.
cold again?
It's okay. I just need some water.
I'll go. You just got out of the bath.
Marcus, just go freshen up.
I probably stink. I probably reek.
Are you sure?
I got it.
Okay, my baby.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go downstairs and I move. Alright, I'll go. Oh, wait.
Alright. Babe, just freshen up, okay?
Okay.
And then when I get back, we'll celebrate.
What do you mean by that?
Hello, baby.
Goodness, man, it's about time I washed up.
I'm good, thank you.
What's that noise? Let's relax a little bit. Take the edge off, why don't we? Why is this water poo-poo green? Bathing. Ooh, just washing on my cracks, washing on my crevices. Yes. I don't like how that window's open. I feel like that, what is that lady's name? What was her name? Teresa or something? She's gonna come peeking through, try to catch a peek of the old Marcus. The old Marcus, yeah. Gonna peek in, try to get a little peeky. Little cheeky, bruv. It's a pretty nice bathroom. It's a very homey bathroom. Be honest, would y'all poop in here? Okay, that was a good bath. Let me dry off, wash my parts. There we go, just like that. Somebody peeing in my room? What's that noise? I just washed my areas. I hear her phone going off. I can't go out. Jacob, where? I hear her phone.
You were gone a while.
Miss Julia stopped me downstairs.
Hello. Hey.
She knew you went into the basement, Marcus. Someone saw you coming up.
Weird frickin' dude. It's his fault, bro. What's
Why'd
he
you
doing
frickin' go there?
I don't know.
Okay?
You never
That's all you have to say.
We should
What do
just
you
get
want me
some
to say?
sleep.
Just why? Because I stood there and covered for you, and I don't even know what I'm covering for.
For real, bro.
Hey, bro.
There was a tunnel, okay? This one was connected to the church basement. I got locked in there and ended up coming back through the wrong side.
You didn't tell me that.
Between the church and this house.
Fine, I did tell you that, no?
But why?
I don't know. I didn't build it. It's an old building. These places have...
How did you even get locked in there in the first place?
I don't stinking
I don't know. The basement door just locked behind me on the way up.
And what's also weird is you didn't think to tell me any of this.
Okay?
For real.
I just didn't want to freak you out for no reason, alright?
I'll move, bro. You gotta say that
You
stuff.
keep doing that.
What?
Stop making decisions for the two of us.
Shoot. That's how
Are
we're
you
gonna die.
serious right now? What did you want me to do, Tess?
Let's solve
Come
this.
back up here and tell you about a secret tunnel so you could lose it? With no car? You've already been on the edge for no reason this whole time. Maybe stop reading into things and just let me handle it tonight.
Oh, we got no
I'm gonna-
fights, bro.
Yeah, I know. This is so bad.
You handle it.
Uh-oh.
Hey, come on now.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, crap. How it feels, bro. Real, bro.
Let's go to freaking bed.
Alright. Why do you lay down? You're like watching me when you lay down. Scary girlfriend, bro. Alright, I'm laying down, bro. Let's go to sleep. Jacob, get back in bed.
Okay. Alright. I love you, boo. Good night.
I love you. Oh!
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Questionable AM. Probably like 3 in the morning. What the frick is going on? No, this is gonna be a dream. This is a dream. This is a dream. Is this a telephone booth? No, it's a gas station. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a dream for sure. Oh. Nothing in there. Jacob! Hello? Hello? Jacob! Can you hear me? Come as you are. What the frick, bro? I did not expect this out of Fears to Fathom. They want me to walk all the way to the temple? It's gonna take me like 90 years. This music is so eerie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, somebody broke our window. Jacob. Jacob. Where's Jacob? He was getting up. Oh! Respond without alerting the other. What the freak do I do? I hide, 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 hide. Oh my gosh, Max, you're an idiot. I'll hide. Oh! Alright. Doesn't bug me out, doesn't bug me out.
I need to tell you something.
We need to go.
Bro.
Right now.
Jacob, there's somebody in the room. There's somebody in the room.
Go, go.
Bro. They were freaking chasing after people downstairs out the house, bro.
Jacob, run. Jacob, run.
Freak out. Get the frick out.
What the freak is this? What the frick is that? How do we possibly... Wait, no. Jacob, I know the route we're supposed to take.
I know.
Right now.
Get the frickin' suitcase.
What?
I got it.
Get out.
Let's go.
Go.
Wait,
I know the route.
Through the kitchen.
I know, through the kitchen.
Go.
Yup. Freaking not gonna catch me this time. Yup. Easy. Get it right. Bang.
Come on, Jacob.
All right. Bang. Easy stuff. Boom. Out the back door. Ain't no one here.
We're gonna go. Just follow me. This might be it. Yeah. Come on.
Bang.
They're running. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Okay, bro. Keep going.
I don't have flashlight.
Down here.
Bro. Yup.
They came this way. Down here.
Dang it! We're good. Alright, let's go back up slow.
I love you.
Wait, what? Go. Come on, Jacob.
Where we go now, you think?
Front door, maybe?
Front? Alright.
Yeah.
Book it. GG.
Bomb, gone. In the bomb 30.
Where did we come from? I don't remember which way. Let's go.
No, follow me.
I'm following you. We're good. Just keep going.
Yeah. Don't look behind you.
Mother can't catch us. Too fast.
I can like barely see.
We made it.
Come on. Big mans. Oh, whoa. Oh, Jacob. Yeah, get back to the car. Wait, I forgot our car doesn't work. Crouch.
I love you.
Okay. Shh. The frick is that?
Oh, heard the news?
What's the commotion?
They bolted into the woods.
Course they did.
As we're like watching this next to their house.
Because those two boys of yours couldn't keep it straight.
Watch, we're gonna steal one of their cars.
Let them run.
Shh.
They won't get far.
Hope you are right. This could turn into a problem if we don't find them.
Now come find us.
Coming! Heard we already lost one earlier. Wandered in himself. One report might slide. Two?
It's Julia again.
I said I'm coming!
Alright,
Ain't the first time. Likely won't be the last. I'll handle it.
Oh shoot, that dude's still out here. Wait, don't move. Okay, wait, he's on the lookout. Wait. What is he doing? No. Coming down. Where's it going? I just can't see. Okay. Shh. I'm gonna steal one of the... Oh. Come back. Oh. Not good.
I know this isn't the right time. But I love you. God, I love you so much. I really should have. I dragged you into this.
Not right now.
Jacob.
Fuck! Fuck!
Oh.
Get in here a second.
What's the problem?
She's asking for you. Get in here.
Huh?
He's leaving.
Do we detach it? Hold on. Okay, it's unhooked, it's unhooked, it's unhooked. Let's go, come on, finally. Let's go, easy.
Frickin' dubs!
Stop right there, you sound like a cardboard if it can speak.
What?
Jacob. We barely made it back to the main road before the car gave out again.
Oh, what?
We were scared that those people were going to follow us. We called the cops and we were rescued to the station. 2 officers went by the area immediately. We didn't find anything incriminating. All we heard back in the morning. Are you serious? First it drove me insane, but tested since it was not worth pressing on. And nobody called us crazy. The sheriff actually seemed kind of believe us, which managed to believe us, which managed to creep her out even more. As far as I know, those monsters are still out there in the world. Whatever they wanted, it wasn't just money. As I wrote this story, I'm well aware of the stupid choices I made along the way. I'm just so thankful we're both here to tell it. Bang.
We do it. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That was beautiful.
That was good, bro. We didn't experience like any bugs.
I know, dude. Bro? And Jacob, you were like doing the absolute most, bro.
I was doing the absolute most, and I think the craziest thing was like us running over the cars.
Alrighty, y'all. Well, that would conclude our playthrough of Fears to Fathom Scratch Creek. If you did enjoy that video, would like to see us play more Fears to Fathom once player ever comes out, make sure to let us know down in the comments below, as well to call me else favorite timestamp. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.